Morning. Hello. Let's go. Steve, bro. Good morning, man. Good morning, Rizwan, bro. Patel ji, hi. Raja, bro. Good morning. Morning, everyone. What do we have today? Dr. Kumar, hi. So let's look at the news so that we don't miss any. Hold on, let me just put charge on both of my things. Yes. All right, let's start with news. Do we have any? Today is the 28th of August. What a memorable day. All right, let me refresh. Oh, yes, we do have red folder, but in the evening at 7:30. So it's almost 12 hours, more than 12 hours after. Um, yeah, we got to be careful. They have the Jackson Hole Symposium. They sometimes stay there for weeks and just talk about stuff. I don't know, man. So we got to be very careful, people. We got to close our trades if anything is running before the time. And CAD has GDP month over month today at 6 p.m. Other than that, we're good for now. Orange folder news for Tokyo. That should not be a big issue. Morning, guys. Morning, morning, morning. I'm doing good, bro. How are you? All right. So, in terms of the news front, we don't have anything for the morning and the afternoon. We don't have. One second, guys. I'm sorry, I'm just texting my best friend. Mithun, bro, good morning. Rajat, Wasim. Good morning, bro, from Leeds. Long time. Good morning, bro, from Chennai, bro. Yeah, it's been long, man. How's it going? All right. So let's see. So the first ash zone for today, well, still dizzy from last night. That's the first ash zone. Two to the left, two to the right, making it the first ash zone. Ash. All right. If we talk about stop on zones, that's a beautiful one. Stop on right there. And if anything is created here, if another green candle pops up here, we'll call this an ash for now. All right. Other than that, one, two, three, four. Yes, that's another stop on zone. We will have very close together. And this one, look at this one. Look at the reaction from this one. Beautiful stop and zone formed at around 10:20 p.m. Price goes, taps it, confirmation candle goes downside, sell. Just looks glorious, isn't it? I just love this, man. Yeah, let's see what we have in store for us today, boys and girls. Because anything it is, we're here to take it. Okay? And that is a stop and zone down there, right? I'm just making sure I don't miss anything in between. All right, that's stop and down there. Okay, perfect. So for now, these are the four zones. Let's just focus on this. Let's take care of the rest after. Okay? 3 on 3 ready. Set up for boom. Hopefully, bro. If we catch a 3 on 3, man, I'm dancing on the clouds, bro. Yeah, would love to do that. Just got back from Turkey, Istanbul yesterday. Wow, bro. Went back on vacation, man. What's happening? Shaker, bro, good morning, man. Bro, I've heard that tea in Turkey is over the moon, man. I used to have a friend from Turkey, and he used to rave about their tea, bro. Someday, man. Good morning. Good morning, bro. Uh, yeah, one more thing. Turn on the alerts. You don't want to miss a 303. And yeah, 4 points. It's good. Good morning. Lizzie, hi. Little overpriced and overcrowded, if you ask. Bro, you're being too honest, man. Overpriced and overcrowded, if you ask me. Wow. Lizzie, hi. Uttam, good morning. All right, guys, if this closes green, that will be another stop and zone. I'm just gonna drag that. Oh, I love that. Someone said very good morning. So even if I'm wishing someone good morning in text, I usually wish very good morning because it always is, isn't it? Thank you. Very good morning to you too. Good morning, bro. Bad driver of Pune. What a name to have for your channel. Um, yeah, guys, 2 minutes to decide if this is the Nash zone. We'll wait and watch. And did you guys see what's happening to BTC? Because I've been actually keeping an eye. Look at this. It's at 80,000 again, $20,000 up since the last 2 weeks, I think. And that's a push towards the upside, man. Wow. Look at that. Price came down, swept this low. It's beautiful to see, man. Swept this low. That's an stop and zone, proper stop and zone, by the way. And and it's just pushing up now. Man, so good to see. That's weekly candle. So it's not valid, it's not 5 minutes. But yeah, man. It's sweet. Coming back to reality, let's see if this ash zone gets created. I am keeping an eye on 313, by the way. All right, most probably this will be closing green. There goes your first ash zone, which got created within the session. Let's go. Ash it is. Thank you. Yours faithfully. Perfect. So now we wait, people. Now all we do is wait. We chill and we wait. USA 40 trillion debt pushing gold and BTC price up. Josh, bro, yeah, man, they've had that debt for a while now, and then they keep adding on to it, man. It's just, I don't know how these guys do it, bro. Just because it's not their own finances, they just keep adding on debt. Will they do it if it's their own personal debt? I mean, I'm excuse me. I'm just baffled, man. Even my government, bro, they just keep adding debt. And what's the point? You're spending way more than you're earning. How can you sleep at night? I think that's my question. Yeah, I'm just thinking about it, bro. Imagine if they took it for their own personal gain. Dude. 323 formed. Nah, bro, not in 1 minute Owanda. Because I'm just watching 1 minute Owanda. The middle candle of the 323 leg, the last leg was red. So I we can't help it. Right now, we gotta wait for the perfect pattern to show up and then take care of it. I'll let you know, man. If a 323 is formed with the confluences, I'll definitely let you know. Let's see what price wants to do today. I have no idea how this V is formed. Uh, yeah, that's the first candle of the day. Price just keeps on pushing. Nice though. Let's see if it gets up here. You guys ready for the weekend? Because I am. I just want to put this week behind us, man. What a week we've had so far. Let's see what happens today, but time for next week to push through. God. Government borrow for several reasons: building roads, railways, infrastructure, defense funding, healthcare, and education is not, and no accountability. that. Exactly, bro. No accountability, man. They they also earn, right? They earn a lot in taxes. They just keep borrowing, bro. Why can't they just spend the tax money that they got and just be okay with it and then make more roads when they get more tax money? That's the whole point I'm trying to make, right? What's the point of inflation? Bro, inflation is because of these guys, man. Because they keep printing money because they don't have any and they're not, bro, got the certificate. They're not actually, content with what they get. They keep printing money. The price of everything goes up with it. Before, bro, in India, 1 rupee was a lot. I'm talking about 50 years ago. 1 rupee was a lot of money. You can buy 1 kilogram of good rice with it. Rice for a family for at least a few days. 1 rupee. Now, what's the cost of 1 rupee, man? I can't even get a proper chocolate, bro, at 1 rupee. So inflation is because of these guys. Hate them, bro. And congratulations are in order. Let me. There we go. He got his. He passed the account yesterday. He's got a certificate today. Share this moment with you. This feels more special because I know your guidance, patience, and mindset contributed to this journey. Thank you so much for everything, brother. Certificate, my name on it, but a big part of the journey belongs to you too. Really happy to show this to you, my brother. Yo, I'm happy to see this, bro. I'm absolutely psyched. I'm so proud. I'm so happy, man. Yo. Sorry, guys. I just have to reply to him, man. Brother, I'm really happy for you, man. And of course, proud. Sorry, guys. I had to do it. Man, passing an account is never easy. It took me 2.5 years. I know the pain and the joy that comes with it. Um, Absolutely psyched for him, bro. Congrats, man. Again, bro. You made it, man. You've done it. You've been here for a month. You've done the hard work. Now it's the fruit, bro. Have fun with your family. Just go out and celebrate this weekend, man. I'd suggest you blow off, $100 or something like that. Just celebrate because it's not easy. It's never easy, man. Not $100 per se, but maybe 30, $40. Yeah, bro. Has it been taken, guys? Nah, it's not. We'll wait. Sorry, I'm just looking at the messages. Uncle Donald, what a slow market. Cherry, bro, as soon as you said it, my price is dropped. Bro, check spot. I am, bro. I'm checking spot. The more money they print, the more need. Yeah, more money they print, the more money we need, man. Yes, sir. Good morning and goodbye. Goy Juma Mubarak, everyone. Good morning and bye. You sure, bro? Thank you. You're welcome, man. Now has it been taken? Is that a tap? Wow, that's a tap, people. That's a beautiful tap right there. Wow, look at that. It just tapped this low with a body, by the way. Now it got taken, but still, that doesn't happen always. That is a strong closure, man. There's no wick. There's zero wick right there. While tapping a zone. Man, I don't think I've ever seen that happen. Like, you tap a zone with a body. Yo, that's a strong candle right there, my brother. But let's see. Now it's been officially tapped. 5:50 a.m. candle. Let's see what happens with the next 5 minute candle to give us a trade. And let's take it from there. Man, the first month of gym is always fun because of all that pain and you're getting used to that routine. Bro, I'm actually in pain, but I love this pain, man. I absolutely love this pain. Yesterday was chest day, a long time after. 10 kg dumbbell tap. Yeah, bro. I was like, yeah, it was actually more than that. It's like a 40 kg dumbbell tap. Well, look at that candle, bro. It's a huge candle just coming down to just kiss the zone rather than just break it. Just kiss it and just close it right there, right at the zone. Beep. Wow. I like that, man. So we got back-to-back zones. Let's see what happens in the next candle. Officially, this 5 minute candle is the breaking candle. So we'll be patient and see what happens. I'm currently in sell from 4604. That's very nice, bro. Paul, man, you're rocking it, brother. Keep going. Yeah, for me, the market hasn't given me a trade, so I'll wait. I'm a patient dude. At least I think I like to think. But yesterday, I got only two trades with you. A restart from yesterday with 300 USD, about 38 USD and 6 USD loss. Total 33 in profit in one day, 11% in one day. Amazing, bro. Sudhir, man, I'm happy as well as worried. How much did you risk, bro? Uh, it's great that you got a profit yesterday, but what percentage of the account are you risking, man? Because that's very important, my brother. 11-day profit in a day is just sweet. Sorry, 11% in a day. Careful, man. Don't risk way too much per trades because that's in the long run, bro, you're gonna regret it, right? So I'm trying to be supportive here as well as cautious. What's happening to my eyes, bro? It's not adjusting to this morning. Wake up, people. 5 a.m. JPY news, but that happened at 5 a.m., right? So it's done. Why is it reacting right now? Maybe they released it later. I don't know, man. Whatever happens, happens. Right now, we don't have to care about that. If that's the news scandal, I don't think so because there's no wick on either sides of it. Usually, news scandals are crazy, like 6:30 candles, right? It'll wick one way, like pretty badly. I'm not worried, but as long as we get our setups properly, nothing to worry about. Nada. Good morning, bro. We feel some kind of positive kick early morning by hearing your voice. Thank you, man. Thank you, bro. Yeah. Thank you for saying that, man. You're being too kind, my brother. Let's go. Let's create a good day together, man. Let's go. Good morning. Yesterday I go with 6% because I saw a good move to short side in morning. Today I see what short side good move, but 2% loss, only 4 USD. Bro, this is the thing, right? With City, bro, to be honest with you, good moves, bad moves, good push to its downside, good push the upside. Man, don't think about all that, bro. For you, fix a dollar amount you're going to risk or fix the percentage. To be honest, percentage much better, bro. 0.5, if that's, I know that's your personal account, so 1% max you could risk per trade, man. Because in the long run, boy, you're going to get used to it. You're going to be like, yeah, that works for me. If you're gaining or if you're losing, it's the same amount. And if, especially it works best for you if you have, a 1:3 or a 1:10 or a 1:20 risk to reward, given the fact that when you're losing maybe $5. And when you're winning $15, right? So for you, bro, to be honest with you, man, don't risk more than 2%. Even if it's your personal account, even if you have $10,000 lying around in your personal, I mean, in your savings account waiting to be put in, right? Even when you have all that, my brother, try not to risk too much, man. 1% is the max you should go, regardless of if it's your personal account, if it's your funded account, if it's your family money that you're managing, anything, my brother. So again, that's my opinion. It's always up to, the individual thought process. But if you ask me, I'd just say that. Good morning, Nama, bro. I like to remember you are very cute. Thank you. Don't say that to my wife. Yeah, I hope she's not watching this. Yeah, I mean it. I hope you mean it in a brotherly love. So I'll take it. Good morning, there, coach. Hola, bro. Good morning, man. Guys, 2.5 minutes to candle closure. If this candle doesn't take the ash zone down here, if this candle closes as is, I'm taking a sell right there. All right. But again, 2.5 minutes. Let's see if this zone is taken. If not, man, let's see what's what. Right. I'm going to lock in here, people. I'm still cracking up over that comment. I like it. Thank you. God. Um, Hold on. Going back. What am I doing? Yes, I'm switching to spot. Let's execute this trade. Let's see what's what. And let's move forward. All right. 1.5 minutes left, people. So in spot, the zone is down here. All right, that's ash. And this ash zone is up there, which was already breached. Okay. We got 1 minute left. Let's see if we get the confirmation that we look for. Usually, guys, always remember there's a buffer with YouTube. You will get the video with at least 6 second to a 15-second lag. So always wait for the confirmations, and then you guys can take a trade. Okay. 50 seconds more. If this candle closes as is, definitely a sell right there. So stop hunt, raise the points. That's the entry. That's stop loss. Man, if we get this, bro, it'll be a very short stop loss and a very quick trade. I like quick trades, bro, because sometimes we get almost $1,800 in, sorry, 1,800 pips in stop loss. That's not fun always. Okay, Traders Connect. It's your time to shine, brother. Let's go. Let's copy these trades. Okay, turn on. Perfect. All right, 10 seconds. I don't like that. I don't like that a bit. It just reversed to the upside, man. What? Yo, 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 yo. That's a confirmation towards the upside, guys. That's a confirmation towards the upside. What is going on? I'm taking this either way. Even if I get the confirmation, I'm going in. And that's last second movement, 0.34. I don't like this one bit, but it is what it is. I'm in a long, guys. I couldn't help it, man. Got the confirmation. There's no other thing that I could talk about. I don't like it one bit, but if the strategy says so, if it wants to close up, I'll take it, right? I don't like it, but it is what it is. The bad week, if it wants to continue, bro, I'll let it continue. God's sakes. It's just unfortunate that that candle just flipped towards the upside. Yeah, man. What a lovely week I'm having, bro. It's just, it's just glorious. Oh God. Still in it though. I'm in officially, by the way. What a candle I had. That candle was just last second, which wanted to go up. That 323 will not be valid, by the way. You're avoiding this trade, you don't know why. Um, yeah, man. I'm in this because of the strategy. I don't trade with trends, man. If I have the conversation confirmations, I'll take it. It's just unfortunate that that was a sell. I was hoping for a sorry, that was a buy. I was hoping for a sell too, but we got what we got. It's up to everything else. Yeah, man. I saw the 3 to 3, bro. Not valid, man. So if it wants to take me out, so be it, bro. This is what discipline looks like. Regardless of what you get, you just execute and just wait for it, man. Because yeah, bro, that's all you could do, right? I know everything is sell side, people. I know. I know. I don't care. Um, those are rules. Those are rules, people. I don't care if I take a stop loss here. I never care. But the thing is, if we start breaking rules just because it's in this, the market is in sell side and all that stuff, it'll never stop. So it is what it is. I'm ready for the push-ups. Let me just let me, let me just do the warm-ups. Let's go. That's the first push-up for today, man. The hell with this week. We'll wait for tomorrow. We'll wait for next week. God's sakes. 10, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 extra push-ups because I'm pissed. I'm absolutely pissed because that should have been a beautiful sell. Price gave me a confirmation towards a buy. What a day we're starting up. So the next, excuse me, next ad zone has been tapped. Man, I'm waiting to see what this day is gonna look like, bro. I'm just freaking so stoked. Oh, sorry, I didn't put the camera down for the push-ups. I'm just I'm just psyched. That's trade number one. All right. Yeah. Design quality trades. The quality trade design is not in my hands, my brother. I take everything that comes through with my strategy, man. That's how we had the good times. If this is a rough patch, so be it, bro. In my strategy, man, there's no A plus and B plus trades. So two trades every day, whatever comes through, comes through. Adjust some rules and follow market trend. Win rate will increase. These are the rules I got. These are the rules I'll play with, right? Guys, if you're so afraid of a rough patch and change things around every time you get a rough patch, you lose your strategy, man. You lose the strategy which was winning so well. Just because it gave you, 5 or 10 stop losses back to back doesn't mean that your strategy is bad. Stop trying to change your strategies, man, because of a rough patch. It happens. Sit with it. You're okay with it. Keep going with it, man. I mean, every time I hit a rough patch, if I change my strategy, I lose my strategy after like 3 rough patches. Completely gone. Okay. So accept the fact that it's a rough patch. Every strategy has it. Everyone, even yesterday, we were talking about Funding Pips leaderboard. People have 25 back-to-back losses. We're talking about Funding Pips global leaderboard, right? People who are in the top of the world when it comes to a prop firm, who are doing very good in their, trading careers. 25 losses in a row. Do you think that they'll go change their, strategy or the rules and whatnot to their strategy? Come on, people. Exactly, man. Sherry, bro. Don't worry if the trades win, even though it was a loss because you follow your strategy. Exactly, Paul, bro. I'm glad that you understand that, man. Guys, I wanted a sell too. Okay. Understand this fact. I wanted a sell too, but the strategy gave me a buy. I'm taking it with my eyes closed. Always, man. Always. That's me. That's my strategy. That's the rules that I got for the strategy. We won last month because of the same damn rules. Remember this? Let me refresh the memory of everyone here. Like, remember that patch? It was so good, but we're still following the same rules, right? Why does this patch bother you guys? Just because, there's what, 10, 12 stop losses? Man, come on. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. So it's like any relationship, bro. If it's a decent relationship, it'll have a lot of good days and a few bad days, man. You just have to eat those bad days to get through to the good days again. That's it. Simple, people. Chill. Bro gave me, it doesn't mean strategy is bad, but most obvious indicator, I think we can add. No, nah, man, I'm not adding anything, bro. Already it's getting suffocated. All right, guys, I have 1 minute. All right, hold on. This is not better. I have 1 minute for another trade. I think this was taken in futures. Let me check the futures. I'm gonna lock in, man. I might get another trade here. Yeah, this the next zone was taken in 50 seconds. I might get my second trade. I'll tell you if I take it. It again, it's looking like a short and now a long. It's gonna be day to day. Oh God, man. Thankfully, come on, buddy. Close the right way, man. Don't. Okay, whatever it is, I'll let you guys know. If I get a confirmation, so I'll take it. 22 seconds left. It's looking either way, man. It's swinging back and forth. It's looking either way at this point. I don't know, bro. Again, it's looking like a buy. It's a buy again, man. 0.34. I'm gonna buy again, boys. 80.04. I mean, last trade for this strategy today. Whatever happens here happens. One is to three. All right. That's a trade. I'm hearing so many fa in my mind. It's like, so be it. If he wants to kick me, I'm right here with a smile every day. Remember? Every day. If he wants to do me bad, I'm right here, boys. Let's go. That's the last trade for Ash today, and it's time to meditate. I'm just gonna close this off my mind and then start meditating, man. It's 6 a.m., so we let price do whatever it wants to do. At this point, I just don't care. That's the strategy. That's the confirmations. That's what I'll be doing every day, day in and day out. All right, guys, let's meditate, man. I'm just gonna forget all this and just be like, the week for Ash and Stop Hunt is done. Yeah, we might get a 3-1-3 trade, but this week is officially closed for that strategy. So right now, it's time to just chill. All right. Okay. Let's get the meditations app. Let's go. Begin where you are, use what you have, do what you can. Author Ash. His name is also Ash, by the way. I like it, man. The quote for today from the app is begin where you are, use what you have, do what you can. What a powerful quote, man. Love it. Let's do it, boys. 5 minutes of meditations. Don't worry about the trade. Don't worry about anything. Don't worry about life. Just focus on your breath. It's going to be okay. We're still alive. We'll come back stronger. As simple as that. Let's go. Raja, bro, I know there's a 313. It's not valid, man. It is not valid. Don't worry about it, okay? Let's just meditate, man. Whatever happens, happens here, brother. Come on, dude. Perfect time for a stop loss. Let's go. This is glorious way to end the session. That's day number 5, people. Drop down. This time I'll show you. 15, is it? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Friday's done. I'm fit. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. Man, yesterday it was very hard to do the push-ups, but today, man, I just pump it out. It's fairly easy and straightforward. Let's go. Let's go. That's the second one for today. Man, I think I have to be cutting my hold on, let me show you. Loss into half in the instant account because I think we've gone past 50% mark in drawdown because the account went up so much and it came back again, right? So almost to 50%. Um, yeah, I think I can take one more trade in this account because so with the instant accounts, you guys get a trading drawdown, right? So my account went up to 715 positive. The first 3 trades were just glorious, man. The first 3 days were beautiful. We had two, one, two, one, two. So six red days and 4 green days. And with the other account, it's actually better because of the 3-on-3 trade that we took. A 1:10 on that, was it? Something like that. So it's actually better, man. Much better state. I'm I'm down $132 in the master account. I'm down $555 because of the 3-on-3 trade that 3-1-3 trade that I cannot take in the instant account, right? So in terms of profit and losses, we're down 1% and 0.5%. So 1.5% combined. But the thing about the instant account is that they have a trailing drawdown. So when the account went up with this 3 days, the equity went up. Now what's happening is it's actually behind like big time. I only have $1,300 to blow off, but I will take one more trade and cut the risk into half so that we have a lot of more trades to save the account. Okay. Yes, it's a part of the process. Going up or going down is just how the curve is going to look like. As long as in the long term it's going up, it should be good, man. Let's go. So that's trade number 2, minus 400. What a week we've had, man. What a week I've had. That's not $700. What's wrong with you, bro? There's something wrong with this calculator, but still, that's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, almost $1,500 down. With both the accounts, by the way, at 750 each. So it's not bad. Um, Man, the master account is beautiful, man. The master account is just up, down 0.5%. That's nothing, bro. So still in this, right, for valid 3-1-3s, 3-2-3s, and then all right. So they, bro, that time you went with me, of course, man. It was pushing up, wasn't it? I'm just looking at the messages, man. It's hilarious, bro. I mean, if you trust a strategy, you trust it until you die. That's how it works. And if you don't feel like it, you don't take a trade. You feel like it, you take a trade. That's not how trading works, man. Come on, guys. You gotta stick to your rules. It's called discipline, right? So, otherwise, bro, each and every strategy has bad and great phases. Exactly, man. I'm gonna risk everything, bro. What? I just saw the message and I was like, what? You, you're gonna. Sherry bro got shocked. He said, "Why? Just why?" I'm just going through the messages. Hold on, hold on. Bro, you just look like young Shah Rukh Khan, man. Seriously, bro, Shah Rukh Khan, bro, a legend, bro. He is. Yeah, I'm with you, bro. Market we can go anywhere. Remind me of Mohammedan film, The Way You Speak, lol. Mohab Mohbatan. I'm not sure what that film is, bro. Good morning, Jay. I just saw that message again. I'm gonna risk everything. This time I'll go with you. Okay. What would you do if you lose your account even after following the trades? Frankie, if I lose my account with proper risk management, with by taking all the rules, sorry, by taking all the trades with the rules and the confluences, I'll be very happy, man. I'll be a proud trader because I did not deviate from my rules, from the principle, from the core principle of the strategy itself. Because if a strategy can give me this beautiful patch up here, it's gonna give me again. Guys, you gotta understand one thing, okay? Um, take this the lesson for today that you wanna learn from this live session. The reason why I failed for 2.5 years consistently was because of this one fact. I kept on putting rules on top of my strategies earlier on when I was trading. So when I started trading, I had beautiful strategies, man. Hell, I was trading stop hunt 6 months in trading. 6 months into full time trading, we figured out stop hunt. My friend's mentor taught him. He taught me. I had the golden goose right in my hand. The golden goose, which is golden eggs. Sorry, every day I had it, but we were over trading it. We changed the strategy, man. With our experience, we thought, okay, we are taking five stop losses. Let's say we took five stop losses, and we were like, me and Weston, we sat down. We're like, what changes can we do to the strategy to make it better? That's the worst question we asked. We changed that strategy so much within the next 1 month that the strategy completely flipped. We couldn't even recognize the strategy anymore, man. It's all gone. The main good part of the strategies were all plucked off with all these rules that we added on top of it. We were not getting any trades. Even when we did, it was stop losses. So we abandoned the strategy. Okay. The lesson for you guys today is don't put more rules to it. Don't put more indicators to it. Just because it's having a rough patch, everything is going to have rough patch. It's life. Understand it. Eat it. Sit here, eat it, realize that it's okay. Still, still with both the accounts, it's okay. Listen, both the accounts are still alive. Yes, we're just $800 down in a $75,000 portfolio. Just 800. It's a blip, guys. It's a blip. Understand that, okay? Even after such a rough patch, if your account is just 800 bucks down, man, you're doing good. Your risk management is good. You are getting good trades. Yeah, maybe it's not your lucky week. It's completely fine, people. 100% fine. Okay? Sit there, eat it. I've had it. It tastes good. Okay? If you want to be successful, if you want to be doing this for the long run, you don't have to follow my strategy. It's up to you, completely up to you. But get this. If you keep hopping strategies just because you have a rough patch in that strategy at that month, man, I'll tell you this, no matter how many strategies you hop, you're going to keep hopping. It's like hop from one, hop from the next, hop from the next. Just going to keep hopping until one day, one day you'll realize this fact that Arvind said, you'll be thinking of what Arvind said. Like, yeah, man, he told me not to hop it just because there was a rough patch. Now I realize it. Man, that day might be too late. That might be 5 years after, right? You would have been having a very, very bad time until that 5 years. But if you could just get through this 1 week or 2 weeks of rough patches, man, it's gonna come again. Then people will be all, rainbows and sunshine, walking on the clouds and rainbows again. Bro, you just have to get through this. Okay. Just sit calm. Just be happy about the fact. I'm very happy about the fact that for this strategy, this week's done, completed. Boom. I have two trades left for today. Don't get me wrong. Okay. Two trades for the 313 strategy. Perfect. That actually sounds good for me. Okay. I will take it if it gets through. Right. So we'll wait. If I get other trades with 3 on 3, 3 to 3, we'll take it. If not, we'll just chat, bro. As simple as that. You guys get it? I'm pretty sure when you guys saw that green candle, that 6:10 a.m. candle, for those of you who did not take that one, this trade right here would have had your heart in your mouth, thinking, oh my God, it's going to go to TP. At least that's what I would have thought. Look at the strategy been decoded. Advice to you, master trading is a skill, but you have for life. What is your choice? It's time for ghost to Sherry, bro. You guys want to go with the ghost? It's early in the morning, man. I thought I'd have that story at 8:15 during. Well, let's Sherry, bro. After two back-to-back sales. Let's go, right? Sorry, Shah Rukh Khan film. I don't know how to spell it, but watch it, man. Epic film. Mohabbatin. Am I spelling that right? Mohammadin. Mohammadin. Mohabbatin. I'm sorry, man. Is it a good film, bro? I'll watch it, man. Did I miss anything? You missed a lot, brother. Are you looking? You are looking like Ravi Ashwin cricketer. Man, I've been told that I look like Shubman Gill from the side. Do I? A couple of people, actually, couple of completely random people told me, like different people. Uh, you cut it with break even, good for you, man. Nothing but just chew SL. Yes, bro. 2 weeks of SLs. Yep. I need, bro. You're saying on rough patch. Is your account 75K? What is the max loss on the account? Technically, your max loss on any account is what is available to you to trade. Exactly. So the max loss with my 25K account is $2,500. And the max loss on my $50,000 instant account, Paul, bro, is again $2,500. Okay. That's the max I can lose. Um, right now, the difference between my 25K master account and my 50K instant account is that 50K instant, it has a trailing drawdown, meaning end of day trailing drawdown. So if my account goes up in profits, which it did initially, like you guys saw, um, where is it? It's right here. So initially, when my account went up, this 3 days, that's when we got the account. My account went up to $750 in profits. Okay, that's pure profits, by the way. When that happened, my max loss moves up with it. So my floor doesn't stay at 48,000, sorry, 47,500. Now it comes up to 48,250 because of the $750 profit move, right? So profit goes up as well as the max drawdown. It just comes up with it. So they move together. And when I'm having a rough patch, this comes down, but the max loss just stays, right? That's the reason. Next trade, after the Monday trade, so I'm going to turn it off for now because we don't need it anymore. If 3 on 3s, I won't take it, right? So after Monday, guys, it will be officially below the 50% mark in terms of drawdown. But the 25K account, nah, man, it's not no way close to it, right? Um, right now, it's at 1%. Max I can lose it's 10%. So I still have 9% that I can lose with my 25K account, as you guys can see here. Look, it's at minus 0.9%. Um, the max loss for this account is 10%. So I have a long way to go when it comes to my 25K master account. Right now, I'm kind of rethinking the fact that I'll never take a master account again because of the trailing drawdown. And I'm rethinking, Sherry bro, I'm actually rethinking if I want to take Top Step because they have this trailing drawdown with them. Man, the rough patches that the accounts will not survive. So what's the point of, going through all that for a couple of payouts and then being put into live, right? So let's talk about it over a phone call, man, Sherry. But instant accounts, man, might not be the best idea that we've had because right now the account is in deep reds, just 1% down in the total, but deep reds because of Man, that's just unfortunate, bro. That's a sweep, and then now it's pushing up. 3 on 3 is not valid, people. I'll tell you when the 3 on 3 will be valid. We'll hold on to it. So, what was I saying? Oh, wow. I just love this pullback. God, our TP was right here. The week I've had, I think this trade will sum it up. So, Paul, bro, the point I was trying to make is having a trailing drawdown is not good for you if you're having a rough patch, man. The last month, actually, last 5 weeks with 3 on 3 has been glorious. The last rough patch I had was on the 7th of July. After this, 10 losses, man, it's just been absolute beauty, man. Just kept on going, bro, until 19th of August. And now we're seeing another rough patch. So I think a month or a month and a half, we get a rough patch. But, oh, 6:30 is here? Oh, that's why the push? Ah, I see. Man, 6:30 came late today, man. God. All right, yeah, just came now from the for the ghost story. Guys, ghost story is at 8 a.m. Okay, let's talk about the ghost story at 8 a.m. Sharp. It's early in the day, man. I don't want to scare people early in the day, bro. Um, it's Friday and month, and I have a very bad experience with month, and that's why I'm going very careful. Made rule for changing myself. Nice, bro. Kapil, hi, bro. Even with a 90% strategy, if you don't have discipline, you're not gonna win in the long term. Maybe you can pass your account here and there, but cannot succeed. Exactly, bro. If I give you a strategy with 95% win rate, if you risk 100% of your account on every trade, you're gonna lose your account in the 10th trade. Okay? It's gonna happen. So, strategy, guys. Yeah, man. Hey, check the indicator in TradingView, DIY custom indicator builder. What do you think about it? Man, I don't Kapil, bro, I'm going to be honest with you, man. I don't do indicators, bro. Indicators, I have it to show that my patterns show up, but I don't use it for, a strategy's sake, man. I just took a buy. If I lose, I'm going to jump in my car and drive off a cliff. I hope that's a joke, my brother. When do you start with the ghost stories? 8 a.m. sharp. How does payout work instant account when it's trailing like that? Payouts, yeah, man, you have to be over. So $50,000 is the buffer that you should have, meaning your trailing drawdown will stop at $50,000 if I get to it. Right now, it starts with 47,500, right? So when the trailing drawdown gets to $50,000, it'll stop. It won't come after you. So you have to get an initial profit of $2,500 on the account, $50,000 account. So 5% should be your base, and from there, whatever you make, you can take out as excuse me, you can take that money out as profits, but mind you, your base will be now at $50,000. So again, you're again in the rat race of, oh my God, am I going to survive in this account if I get a rough patch? Or what is going to happen? So you're always going to have that hang over your head. So I'm thinking right now, guys, I mean, maybe this trading drawdown thing would not be good, for our strategy setup. And also, with this thing, man, I cannot take my 3 on 3s, right? 3 on 3 is godly, bro. Two trades, the accounts will be in a different stratosphere. So I'm not gonna do it. Let's not do let's not do it moving forward, man. The hell with the money they're gonna give. You know, in the race of getting instant accounts and thinking we're smart enough to get an instant account without passing the account is is smart. I don't think so. It's actually working in the reverse direction. Bro, it only came down to hit a sell. I know, bro. That's the week I've had. I know. I told you, brother, for instant account, you'll have to hold 10% as a buffer. Yeah, man, Rajat, bro, you're right, man. I was just thinking about it. You're absolutely right, bro. Cromwell, bro, he's also in the trade, man. Take the TP if it gets there, man. Just take the TP and be done with it. Because I don't know how long this is going to run. Just take the TP and be okay with it, bro. Yeah, Sherry, absolutely right. This time you extended the SL. As long as you risked low and extended the SL to the normal risk, that's fine. But if you risk $100 and then extended the SL to 200, that's an issue, brother. Don't do it. All right, next time, like Sherry said. Perfect time to spook people. Let's go ghost stories. Yo, Sherry wants to hear it, man. I'm not sure if it's Sherry messaging or it's Jashri, because Jashri, I know for a fact she loves ghost stories. Jashri, is that you? I was trying, but 6:30 on the way. That's why I went break even. Lol, I'm serious. Man, don't do it, bro. 323 is right here. Hold on. I'm just checking, bro. 323, we might get a trade here, man. Yo, if that's a green candle, that's a 323 trade right there. Yes, listen, man, this might be very good for us. If this is green, bro, that's 323 right there. That's perfection. If price comes back, that'll be the third trade for today, all right? 323, reset points, entry, stop loss. So if this candle closes green, that's the entry point for 323. Let's see. Yeah, we got stopped out barely and price went to TP. It's a part of trading. Now just look past it and go ahead. Move ahead, people. Let's go. 0.12, sorry, 0.162 lots if price comes back, all right? Yeah, that's a confirmation right there, people. That's 3 to 3, which is valid, all right? It's me, Sherry. Yeah, still don't believe him, man. Do you, bro? Ranjit, bro? Yo, it went to smack TP after taking stop loss. It's fine. All right, guys. I'm gonna put a limit order right there for the trade. Did you go all in? Mike, did you go all in, bro? You took 2K profits, man. Congrats, bro. 0.162 lots. 0.16. Buy 94 point. All right, guys. Have a limit order set. That'll be the third trade if price comes back, right? That's valid 323 right there. Again, half the risk of what I usually take. So let's get it. If price wants to come back, we let it. That's the entry point. Okay. That's stop loss. And TP is undetermined. Right. So yes. So that's the trade. If we get tapped in, let's see. That's TP for the other trade, by the way. Uh, so 1:3 was right here, boys. It was just absolutely unfortunate, people. That was just gloriously unfortunate because 6:30 this time, bro, it came late, man. We got stopped out by a few ticks and then price just ripped. So it's fine. Right now, 3 to 3 is valid. I'm waiting for an entry. If I do get it, I'll let you guys know. All right. Uncheck the accounts. Yo, I have, man. I did, bro. Thank you, bro. I've done it. I've already done it. But as soon as I got the trades off for 3 on 3, I took it off. Good morning, Arvind, bro. Good morning, Nava. Sorry, Navros. Good morning, man. We trade on stop and someone else is waiting for stop and for the few days. No worries how long he or she wait. Watch move towards one side. Everything fine. Fire. Guys, I'm in, man. I'm in. Let's see if this holds, people. I'm in $50. All right. Let's see if this holds. If it does, man, this one trade might recover the whole week. But as you guys know, very low win rate with this. Let's see if this does hold. If not, it's just data for our journal, as usual. All right. But I'm officially in, by the way. I'm new to your live. What is 323? Bro, check out Pradeep, bro. Just check out the link in the comment section, which has been pinned. That's a strategy that we take. It's called a 313 strategy. It's just a pattern that I look for. So, three candles before the supply. Supply is two candles right here, red candles. Three candles after the supply. As simple as that. That's a strategy itself. The indicator went off right here. I had the confluences. I'm in the trade. Again, whatever happens, happens. Bro, just now I came in. Can you please explain, bro, long or short TP in a sell, bro? Yo, I'm in longs, man. Stop loss is right here. The entry is right here. Look at this. That's it. Those are the numbers. Now it's up to the trading gods, man. With this strategy, we've got 1 is to 25s, 1 is to 42s. Let's let's see, man. This is the wild card I have in terms of strategy. You never know what you're gonna get with this strategy, man. It's just a massive wild card. Guys, remember the last time we had the ghost story last Friday? Man, that day we took a 1 is to 10, was it? While we were having the ghost story, guys, I think we could, yeah, that was a 1 is to 10. Last Friday, same time we got a trade. Man, you guys want to do the ghost story now for luck? I maybe, right? Yeah, man, let's see, bro. It'll be fun, bro, if we do the ghost story right now. And if that again goes to a 1 is to 20, man, every time we get a 313 trade, I'll tell a ghost story then. If that's the case, bro, I'll definitely tell a ghost story. Lord, I'm risking my entire 2K. If we lose it, I'm off the cliff I go. Mike, what's happening, bro? Don't do it, man. What? Yo, that's not how you trade, man. This strategy I have here, bro, that has a 10% win rate. Why would you risk your $2,000 on this, bro? Yo, man, this is risky trading, man. I condemn it, my brother. I don't support this trading, man. This way of trading because yo, it's a probability of numbers, my brother. When it comes to trading, you got to understand the fact that not all trade goes, and also driving down the cliff is not a good idea for a bad trade. It's not valid. Of course, it is. Yeah, man, that's gambling, my brother. Don't do it, man. I'd highly recommend you not to do it, bro. It can go either way. Even now, it can go either way. It's in break even, man. Just take it off. If I were you, I just take off this trade and say 2K is good. Maybe I'll risk 1% of that 2K, maybe 2% max for this trade, and then I'm good with it, right? You're on a winning streak, man. Just take the win, brother. That's what I would say, man. But it's up to you. I don't tell you guys how to trade. I don't, but I'll tell you when it's not the right thing that you're doing, right? Always. Never, guys. Never gamble with your life savings and money and whatnot. It's just a trade, man. Just a trade. Lol, okay, I'm gonna relax. There we go, Mike. There we go, man. I'm happy, bro. Come on. I, I'm just, I'm just breathing fine right now. But also, don't kick yourself if it goes to 1 is to 50. Okay, I'm gonna tell it to you right now, man. Mike, bro, just find a baseline. For you, man. Just think about this. Think about the next 6 months period. Just come here live every day. Just stay here. Watch how I trade. Learn how I trade. Keep one risk. If you want to risk more, risk 1%. I'm okay with it. But nothing above a 1% mark in your personal account, um, you're gonna good you're gonna do very good, man. Trust me, you can do very well, but don't risk $2,000 or $10,000 at any given trade. Man, you never know which trade is gonna go. And regardless of how good the setup might seem, man, sometimes it'll just go to the stop loss, man. How much ever you plan, if you're risking more than that, man, sometimes, guys, it'll just go to your stop loss. That doesn't mean that you have to, drive off a cliff or something like that, guys. Always. It's going to happen. You're going to have good trades. You're going to have bad trades. You just have to get through those bad ones to get to the good ones. I always try to say this. It's a part of trading. Okay. We got so close to be taken out, but even now, there's a higher chance with this strategy that we might be taken out, right? So, Mike, don't be sorry, man. Don't be sorry. I understand, man. Greed takes over. I get that, bro. If this goes to a 1 is to 40, I'll give this to you, man. For sure, you're gonna kick yourself. You should have had that $2,000 trade on. It went to a 1 is to 40. You could have made $80,000 on that one trade. Nah, that's again a wrong mindset, man. This is how the brain is gonna trick you into risking more, into jumping out of trades before taking SLs. You know, initially, if I was looking at this, 2 years ago, I would have manually gotten out of this trade manually because it was so close to stop loss. Me trying to save $5 or $10 here and there, right? That's the usual mindset. But now, guys, you just put on the trade and just forget it, man. Just let it do whatever it wants to do. At the end of the day, guys, in the long run, it's going to help you. Just keep your emotions out of trading. Once you have that, you become peaceful. Your long-term trading looks good because of the fact that you do not exit early, in stop losses. You do not take early, take profits. These are going to help you in the long run. The long run is all that matters, people. The long run is all that matters. Yes, this trade barely took us off and went to TP. That's fine. One day, we're just going to barely survive and then go to TP. What happens then, right? To, to get to those days, you gotta get through these days. Okay, always. Arvind bro, TP, please. Yeah, my God, yo, I love this, man. Hello, bro. Good morning. Hope you're well. Greetings from Uganda. Hi, man. Sorry, man. I just saw your message, bro. Very good morning, man. Um, Good morning from Chennai, by the way. It's going good, bro. You can only, but with proper risk management, 100%, 100%. Guys, you just have to take emotions out of it, man. Price will do anything and everything, bro. You just have to be ready for it. You just have to say, I'm going to be sitting right here. Just say that to Price, man. When you have the guts to talk to Price and say, regardless of what you're going to do to my strategy, I'm going to sit right here and keep doing what I'm doing. Man, at that point, when you say that to Price, bro, your fear and your greed will just run off to a dark corner, man. That's it. After that point, bro, your brain will know you're fearless. No matter how many stop losses you take, your brain will know that you're going to be sitting right here and doing what you do every single day and just keep coming back like a relentless, I just don't want to swear, but persistence, guys. Persistent. Being persistent is what is going to change your life. Being a guy who comes after it every single day without giving up is gonna make you win, man. That's the only thing that's gonna separate you from the normal people who come into trading for TPs and quick wins and gamble their way into trading and eventually lose everything and take their own life and keep their leave their family stranded. The difference between that guy and you is going to be the fact that regardless of how many stop losses you take, you do the right things, have the right risk, learn the right things, do the right habits every single day, keep getting better and better and better. Eventually, one day you'll take a trade which will give you $1 million, $1 million. Take it from me, $1 million, because that day you'll have $20 million in funding That day will come. That one 3-on-3 trade that you catch will give you $1 million in that one trade. But until you get to that day, keep doing it. Keep doing it day in and day out. I promise you that day will come. That day will come. Okay? If you're here, if you're watching this, keep doing it. You'll see me do it. I've been doing it for the last 2.5 years full time, more than that. Been doing this for the last 9 years, mind you. Not to, not new to this at all. You'll see me do this for the next 50 years of my life because I love this. I know I'm good at it. I just have to wait for my time to come. That's it. I just have to wait for my time to arrive. When that day comes, you'll see Arvind sit right here and take a $50,000 USD trade that run to a profit with the right discipline and with the right risk management. That's it. That's all I want to say, man. Yeah, guys, no fixed TPs, man. I'll close it if it doesn't go to stop loss, man. I'll close it at 12.29. That's the rule with this strategy. That's how we have got a 1:42. That's how I'm gonna approach this any day of the week. Nava, bro, I'm still alive, man. I'm still alive and kicking. Arvind, bro, we learn not only trading but also the way of life to be strong. Always, man. Thank you, bro. I'm glad you're understanding the fact that, guys, even in life, man, you're gonna make very wrong decisions in terms of girlfriends, would-be's. I hope you realize that decision and move away before getting married. Even if you get married, man, if it's the wrong decision, bro, I got stopped out, by the way. That was a good week. Got stopped out. Again, Mike, I think we saved $2,000 for you today. I'm happy about that. I'm glad you realized the fact that you saw that's not the right trade and got off. Man, I'm happy for you, bro. I'm just very happy for you, man. So, one more trade left for today. Man, I'm waiting for that trade, bro. If that 3-on-3 comes through, man, I'll take it. One last trade for today, guys. Let's see. Let's see. It can change anytime, any day, man. 3-on-3, I love 3-on-3 for that reason because you just take one trade, man, your account is giving you a $2,000 payout. So, yeah, that's third trade for today. Oh, hold on. As usual, I never forget, do I? That's, I've already taken 20, 35 push-ups. This will become 50. One, two, hold on. My headsets. Five, six, seven, three, four, five. Come on, that's 50 push-ups right here. Okay, man, let's do the ghost story, man. You guys, you guys can't wait for the ghost story for until 8. All right, I'll give you the ghost story, okay? Um, hold on. Let me just do my things. Let me just check if we don't have any 3-on-3s. Okay. All right, ghost story time, official. Ghost story. All right, we need proof, right? I got the proof. I'm gonna search for the proof. Give me just 1 second, all right? Give me 1 second. I will send this in Discord for you guys to see, and I'll also show it to you. You guys ready? Yeah, man, we caught a 1:42, bro. That was live, by the way. The Blessed Trader. Go back on. Let me show you which day, man. So go back on the 5th of August live session. It's live. It was right there, man. We caught it live, bro. So go back on the 5th of August. I think it was midday. That was a beautiful long we took. $1,872 I got out of that trade. Um, yeah, my risk close to $50 up or down, something like that. That was caught live, my brother. Just go back on time. 5th of August, excuse me, 5th of August live session, 1 is to 42 risk to reward. Caught live, by the way. Again, it was a $2,000 USD. Yeah, man. Guys, hold on. I'm getting the ghost story prepped. Grab it. I'm getting the image, man. Give me 1 second, people. I got the image, man. You guys ready? Tell me you guys are ready. We'll go with the ghost story, all right? Man, I hope my wife is not watching this because, yo, she gets scared. Save. Josh is ready. Let's go. Hold on. I'm just, all right. Let me just check. Mic testing. One, two, three. Mic. Where is it? Oh, there you go. I got it. All right, guys. Win is also ready. Did you take any trades yesterday after the live session? If yes, can you show us the area where you took the trades? No, bro. Yesterday I was done, bro. Sad man. I don't think I got any more trades yesterday after the live session. Yeah, I was done, bro. All right, guys. Let's let's do the ghost story. God, I'm just seeing if 313 is here. All right. You guys ready? Man, we should be reading right now, but you're gonna be doing ghost stories. All right, okay. Listen. Here goes. Ghost story number two. Okay. Ghost story number two. Let me put that down. Number two. Okay. Friday it is. 4:30 a.m. in Moscow. The best time to hear. Oh, this is the perfect time for you, my brother. It's an absolute perfect time for you to hear a ghost story. Um, let me turn this on so that yeah, it's on. All right. So this does not happen to me. Okay, this was not my story. I did not go through this experience. This was my brother who I started my channel with, who was here yesterday. Dravid, his friends went through this. Okay, Dravid, he was supposed to go on that trip. He wasn't on that trip. All right. There were supposed to be 5 people on that trip, but it turned out to be 4. This guy did not get, these guys are in college, by the way. Um, were in college at that point. This happened 2 years ago. Let me give you the date of when this happened because I do have it. Uh, 13th of Jan, 2024. Remember, guys, even the first ghost story, the date of that happening was 2nd of Jan, 2019. This time it is 13th. Again, same Jan, man. I don't know what's with Jan and ghost stories and ghost sightings and whatnot. But uh, this happened on the 13th of Jan, 2024. All right. So the story is this. My my brother, who's actually he's a neighbor from my own colony that I used to live in. He was in his second year of college, I think, second or third year. They were supposed to take a trip to Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal is Kodai. Yes, Kodaikanal is a hill station. Okay, she's the princess of hill stations. She's absolutely beautiful place, man. I'm not sure if you guys have heard this. Kodaikanal is just absolute bliss. Look at that. So that's Kodaikanal for you. They were supposed to take a trip. So this was supposed to be again a New Year's trip, which got pushed to the 13th or I think the 10th of Jan. My brother didn't get permission to go to the trip. So there were supposed to be 5 people on the car. It was his friend's car. It's a white i20. So that's the car we're going to be talking about. I-20. So yeah, that's the car they took to the trip. I'm pretty sure that's the car because I'm going to show you the car. Don't worry. We have proof for it. So they took the trip. Again, the same thing happened with them. So with us too, when we were in the trip, we had a lot of fun for 2 days. We stayed in the hill station. That was Ooty, this is Kodaikanal. These are both hill stations, by the way. The first story that I told you guys, again, was a hill station. This is also a hill station. Again, see the similarities between these stories, man. So even these guys had a good trip. They had fun in the hill station, drove around, took a lot of pictures, and while coming back, they got into a fender bender. Okay, they accidentally hit it. This was pitch black. This is at night. He was turning in a hill. They're coming down, ascending from the hill. They're going towards. They're done with the trip. For some reason, they decided again to drive at night. Okay, this is at night. This 100 videos. Listen. Sorry, I got distracted right there. So they're coming down the hill of the hill station. He accidentally hit a tree on the right. It was on the right side, right? Let me confirm that because this is important. This is very important. Driver sits on the right. Yes. I don't know how he did it. He hit the car on the right. He damaged the door of the car. Okay. I'm just gonna send that photo in Discord right now for you guys to see, and I'll also show it. Okay. Hold on. I'll put it in just random stuff. Okay. Send. So this is the car, guys. Listen, that's I-20. I think I'm pretty sure it is. And can you guys see this? So he hit the car to the right, right? And these guys got off the car and they're like, they the person who drove the car was also the owner of the car. So he called his dad and he goes, Dad, we had an accident and we hit the car on the right. And the door is a little damaged, but it's not way too bad. We're all safe. His dad goes, So you told me, son, you lied to me. You told a lie to me. Why didn't you come clean? He was puzzled. He didn't know what his dad was talking about. He was like, Dad, what do you mean by lying to you? I didn't say any lie. I told you I'm going out with my friends. I have my friends here. I hit the car. It was an accident. I'm sorry that it happened. I'm not lying to you. Trust me. His dad goes, You told me you went with four guys, right? You guys were four guys. Dravid was supposed to come. He didn't show up. So just four guys that's on the trip. He said, Yeah, I swear, Dad, I'll even send you a selfie or something like that. We're just four guys here. What do you mean? Why are you asking about, is it four guys or something else? He goes, I see a woman on the car. Guys, this is what they told me. This is actually that happened to my best, my brother's friends, okay? So his dad, he zoomed in on the photo and he saw this. Guys, can you see this person right here? Can you see? I'm actually getting freaking chills. Can you see the eyes and the face? In the passenger section, you can see a woman sitting right there. Can you see her? Just respond if you can. If you have Discord, I cannot zoom in more than this for some reason in Discord. Please zoom in and see this lady sitting right here. I'm waiting for you guys to acknowledge if you can see this person right here. Yes, you can see it. His dad goes, Who the hell is that girl sitting on the front passenger seat? These guys turn back and look at who's sitting there. There's no one sitting there. And they're like, Dad, what are you talking about? There's no one sitting in the car. I'm going to do you a video call. They hop on the video call, and these guys are showing the car, but there's no one sitting in the car. But his dad goes, he circled this person right here and sent the photo back to the dudes. Okay? These guys zoom in and see the lady sitting right in there and freak the hell out, leave the car and run for 100 meters. They left the car right on the side of the road and ran. Man, after seeing that happen, hilarious. So I know it's scary. So they ran off, and right now, bro, they're looking at the car from the distance. There's nothing there inside the car. But they're zooming in the photo like 10 times. These guys send that same photo to four of them together. They're zooming it in different phones, trying to see if it's a glitch on one phone or not a glitch on different phone. Dumb, I know, but they're all scared, right? It's like me clutching onto the wheels and driving for 200 kilometers. So it's like that, right? So they freaked the hell out. They ran off. They cooled off for the next hour. They just chat, think of who's going to be sitting on that seat. So again, guys, there are four people on the car. There's not five. Okay, they still have to take this car down from the hill, come to another 6 hours of drive to come to Chennai. Okay, to come to where they started from, to come home, bro. This thing after they saw this with the can you see the ice glitter, man? I can still see the ice in the cheeks right there, bro. Oh my god, man. These guys somehow summoned the will to get inside that car and drive that car back to Chennai, bro. That's almost a 6, 7 hour drive. They were actually having, you know, spiritual songs in the car running throughout the whole way. They made it back, but again, they had three close calls. They would have, had three more accidents in the car. I don't know what's with cars. And again, the similarities of this and the story, the brain tends to find patterns. I see what happened once it's stuck in the head. The rest of the journey eventually will be spooky. Exactly, bro. Sherry, bro, you're right, man. Listen, the similarities from the first story and the second is this. We were five friends who went on a trip on the first story. This one were four friends, okay? That was also a hatchback car. This is also a hatchback car, okay? Yeah, man, the girl right there is smiling, by the way, in the picture. She's actually smiling in the picture. Okay, she's actually posing. So, and it was mine, my friend's car was also white. This car is also white, okay? Mine happened similarly at the same timing, I think. This was also around midnight. Mine was also midnight. Look at the similarities when it comes to both of these stories, people. Man, I I will not forget the fact that he showed it to me the next day. Dravid comes running to me and he goes, "Bro, I want to tell you something. My guys also went through the same stuff like you guys went through." He knew my ghost story back then. He goes, "I'm going to show you a photo. Don't freak out." Bro, when he showed me the photo, bro, again, the hair at the back of my head stood up. It's like, I, bro, I was dreaming about that lady right there on the photo for 2 days, man. She was coming back to me on the dreams for 2 days, bro. Insane, man. I cannot forget that photo. Man, people can call it, what do you call it? It's been photoshopped or something like that, man. But for me, hearing from the first-hand guy, because he should have gone through that and he should have been the person who was sitting on the front seat. That dude actually missed the trip and he wasn't sitting on the front seat. Bro, that was a close call when yo, Josh is like, put the ghost in the trunk. Man, that's hilarious, bro. Like, God. Guys, that was insane. That's ghost story number two. I don't know. Tell me what do you guys think, man? I got spooked big time. Like that was insane for me to go through and always, man, always the women. Yo, Daniel had a question. What was the question, bro? Arun, bro, I have seen haunted videos. Discovery Channel is truly recorded in camera videos by Discovery Channel team. Bro, I want to see those videos, man. Arun, bro, story is very interesting. Thank you, man. Dark eyes, right? Yeah, you guys can see her too. I thought it was just me, getting to see her, man. So, Patel, bro, it's not me who's cursed, man. Now you guys you could all see it. It's just not me who could see it. Yo, hence the dream girl of yours, lol. Yeah, bro. For 2 days, she came on my dreams. Yeah, you can call her my dream girl, man. God. Guys, guys, guys. Yeah, so there was no three on threes after that, man. What do you guys think of the story, man? Be honest. Be honest. What do you guys think of the story? I wanna understand what other people, think about this because I'm still spooked. I'm very spooked. Asking for clarity, if Ash Zone created so we're talking about Ash now. Okay. If Ash Zone was created before Asian session and tapped in Asian session, is it valid? Yes, sir. Dilshan, bro, it is valid, man. I don't care if it's created before Tokyo, but I want it to be tapped during Tokyo, bro. That's the only thing when it comes to, Ash and Stop Hunt and even 3-on-3s. With all of these three things, I want the taps to happen within Tokyo. Okay. No, no, Patelji, I'm just making a joke, man. Don't worry. I know you were joking. Uh, yeah, man. I'm just saying, bro. Bro, it's just hilarious, man. Ghost story number two is here. I think, and I'm just glad that I didn't go through it myself. Guys, it was brutal. I'll tell you other stories too. Man, next week, bro, the next story is going to be funny as hell. Next Friday, don't miss next Friday. Again, that was the second ghost story I have, okay? That's my own experience, by the way. That would be hilarious. That's not scary at all. That's an absolutely hilarious story you don't want to miss. Guys, if you're listening to this right now, make a note in your calendar for next Friday. Man, you don't want to miss that story, bro. That happened in my college days. That's the best story I have any day of my life. I'll tell it. You guys will roll down laughing because when I went through it initially, it wasn't funny, but after an hour of me still going through it, I found it really funny, man. But bro, I was having a great time with it. And bro, true story happens. Yeah, man, it is. I don't want to think about it, bro. Already scared. Yo, yo, Krish gives me an IMDb rating of 8, bro. I'm proud, man. I feel like a movie maker, man. I'm a director now, bro. Yo, I'm getting IMDb ratings. Thank you, Krish. I mean, I mean that means a lot to me, bro. Man, I don't know about you guys. All that three stop losses we took just melted away just talking about this story. Man, ghost stories are good, bro. Even just stories for that matter is very good for you and your mindset and trading completely, man. Guys, we got 57 likes for that ghost story, man. Thank you for all those likes. God, it's just hilarious, by the way. Yeah, think of it, man. If you went through that scenario, tell me this, guys. If you saw that ghost picture while you were on that trip, would you sit on the same car and get back to your hometown? Tell me that, man. I would just leave that car for like to sit there for a week or two and then take a train or a bus back home, man. Or even a flight for that matter, bro. I won't I won't travel in that same freaking car, bro. Yo, not happening. Would you guys do it? Would you guys travel in the same car? Just tell me if I want to know if you guys are like really hardcore just to travel in the same car, man. Sherry bro is like it burned that car. Yo, did Jeshi listen to this, man? What was her thoughts, bro? She was actually asking me for the story yesterday. I mean, what happened? Did she like it? Rajat bro is still processing the story. He's like in the wow mode right now. My grandfather used to do black magic. I 100% trust you. Josh, bro, if you have any stories, man, let me know, man. Josh, I'd love to hear backstories, man. She's typing, okay. Yo, no way. Cromwell is like, no way. I would wait for 10 minutes and come on the same car. Jeshi's hardcore, man. Sherry, bro, I mean, yo, you have some good company, bro. You let her sit on that seat, bro. Sherry, bro, if a similar thing happens to you guys while you're traveling, man, Sherry, I would let her sit on the same seat and she'd be fine. I'm pretty sure because she has some, nerves of steel, man. Yo, Sherry's like, he'd burn Jeffrey with the car. Oh my God. You guys are hilarious, man. I love you guys, man. My God. Yo, girl vibes. Yo, I don't know how you guys, I mean, how you girls can actually stomach the ghost stories and ghost movies and all that. Even my wife, she's scared shitless, man. Sorry for the French. She is scared of ghost stories and all that, but she'll watch, a ghost movie at night. I mean, the audacity, bro. The nerve of steel, the heart of platinum. I don't know how you girls do it, but I won't watch a scary movie at night. I'm going to be honest with you people. For me, watching a scary movie at night, with a surround system on, even going through the theaters to do it, Man, I'm actually on the edge, bro. I'm like, I don't want to do it. I won't enjoy the process. I can actually stomach it, but I wouldn't enjoy it. Okay. But Jashri, you would actually sit on that car and in that same place and come back. That says volumes about how brave you are. I don't know, man. I mean, because we live with one. That's a dig. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Yes, bro. Already used to travel with our wives. God, yo, Ranjit, bro. I'm also feeling the same way, man. Yo, don't say that to my wife, man. Because man, today is a good day for us. But yo, you guys can take ghost stories and ghost movies and whatnot. I wouldn't do it. I cannot stomach things like that, guys. I can stomach it, just the fact that I wouldn't enjoy it. That's what I'm trying to say. I wouldn't enjoy it, man. I'll never enjoy it. Oh my God, yeah, bro. See, Win bro also agrees, man. A lot of people agree that women have a tendency of digesting ghost stories, ghost incidents, ghost movies, series. Bro, spooky. Bro, have some white color hatchback car, bro. Never, bro, burn it, man. Burn that white color hatchback, bro. You're you're bound to have a spooky experience soon. I would suggest you to burn it or sell it ASAP. I'm just kidding, man. Don't do it. It's really tough to live with Chandramukhi, you know. Oh, Chandramukhi. Let's go. Yo, suggest a good guys. I saw that. Yo, I'm pretty sure my wife is not watching it. I'm taking my wife out for. It's a special day for us today. I'm taking her out for a movie, and then a proper fancy dinner. Um, haven't figured out the gift yet, man. Don't tell her, bro. I should be getting something, but haven't got anything. Damn. I know I'm bad. Just for giggles. I know, bro. Nah, bros, man. Don't worry, man. I know you're just kidding. Man, I should be getting something, bro. Yeah. That's it, bro. It's okay, man. Lol. Thank you, man. Thank you, bro. Josh, bro. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, man. Ranjit, bro, remembered it last night, but he forgot to wish me. Come on, bro. You should be wishing me, man. Ranjit, bro. Thank you so much, by the way. Man, even I forgot this week, and I was like, is it today? Is it tomorrow? And I was like, dude, it's today. Thank you, guys. You guys are being modest. Thank you. Bindu, thank you. Dashing, appreciate it. Yeah, man. Women are very strong psychologically, bro. We men are weak, man. When it comes to things like this, man, we guys are much weaker compared to women, bro. I'll give you that. 1 year paper, like a custom book or a concert ticket. Fifth year wood. Oh, I like this, bro. Josh, bro. I like the idea of giving paper and wood. 10th year aluminium. Fifth year silver. Man, where is gold, bro? I mean, there should be a gold in there, man. In the 50th year plan, bro. Josh, bro, come on, man. Add some gold or even, platinum into it, bro. Man, thank you, bro. Sky means a lot, man. Thank you. Patel bro says, sir, I had to be very careful because I drive a Swift and a Nexon. You're scaring me. Patelji, is it white? Tell me, is it white, man? If it's white, bro, be very careful. First few years, you'll do all this. After kids, everything will disappear. Yep. Trust me, we'll try doing it for the rest of our lives. Jayashree, sometimes, you know, we appreciate you guys every single day. So just celebrating one day, it doesn't suffice, right? That's why we show our love every single day. Just celebrating one day is not enough because the effort that you guys put and the sacrifices you guys make, I hope I saved that. I'm just saying it. If my wife is watching this, wifey, listen. We appreciate you guys every single day. You are awesome. You're amazing. Just one day of celebration is not enough. Okay. Every single day should be a celebration of our love and of our beautiful marriage. You know, that's why we don't, after a few years, we don't, try to celebrate it every year, just one day, right? So, Jashi, I hope you get it. Did I save that? Happy anniversary, Arvind, bro. May the blessings of God be always with you and your family. Never, man. Thank you, man. Thank you so much, bro. Bro, speak of the angel, man. Speak of the angel right there, man. He's calling me for tea. Yellow. 2 minutes. Bro, speak of the angel. She just calls me and she goes, let's have some tea, buddy. Nah, she won't. Trying to save your ass, not gonna work. Wait till you have kids. Yo, I'm just giving you the God's honest truth. Right, Jayashree? I mean, we appreciate you guys every single day. All the effort, the work, the love, the sacrifice. I mean, means a lot. We'll show it every day. That's a promise. Right, bro, Sherry? That's a promise, man. Thank you, bro. Cromwell, man. Thank you, man. I'm not a, I'm not afraid ghost in the morning, only probably in the night. Yeah, that's why I said we should push not in the early morning, man. Early mornings are, you're not afraid of ghosts, man. Thank you, bro. Justin, bro. Thank you, man. You just say hello to your wife. You're supposed to say hello, baby, lol. Yo, man, I don't call her baby or darling or something like that because she takes offense in that. Because sometimes when I'm talking to kids, bro, I don't know, man. This is with girls, man. Listen, when I'm talking to kids, I call them, "Hey, baby, how's it going?" Or I call my sisters darling. By the way, "Hey, darling, how's it going? How's your life? How's your kids? How's my nephew doing?" And all that stuff. When I say the same thing to my wife, she goes, "You call your sisters darling. Why are you calling me darling? And you call other kids baby. Why do you want to call me baby?" So guys, be always careful on what you say to your wife. I mean, not everything sits well. You gotta be careful on that, man. Am I saying too much? 100 years for her. Absolutely, bro. 100 years for her. I hope she outlives me, man. I definitely hope she outlives me because I don't want to live after that. Um, I just, bro, wife is an incarnation of mother I see and can feel it. Man, every day, man, I feel she is an incarnation of my mom because, wait, hold on. My mom is still here, so is it valid? Um, Whatever. Sorry, man. I don't want to take it wrong way. Um, she's like my mom in a lot of ways, man. We'll talk about this. I'm gonna have tea. I agree with your wife. You agree with my wife? Jan, she agrees, man. I don't know. Wife, our wives doesn't want to call them the way we call others. Um, For me, I don't care. Guys, we're like, you call us anything. You call us dogs, you call us cats, you call us, kings or soldiers. I don't know. We are okay with everything, man. For us, we're not specific, we're not picky when it comes to what you guys call us. Uh, we'll be back after tea. All right, I don't want to keep her waiting because if I keep her waiting, man, she'll come on the live and she'll watch what I'm doing. And if she sees that I'm saying what are the things I'm saying, she'll be mad, bro. So I'm not gonna make her mad on this special day. I'm just gonna have tea and I'll be back, all right? So what do you call her? I call her by her name, man. I just put a ma at the end, call her with her name. So simple. Nothing fancy, nothing too non-fancy. Something sweet, but not too sweet. Simple, right? I'll come back to you guys. Give me 10 minutes. I'll be back, all right? See you in a bit. YOLO, guys. I'm back. I took way too long to talk to a family, so I took my tea. No too long breaks. I like my timings, right? Enjoy the tree, brother, with curry and biscuits. Nice. Yeah, man, never. What's going on, bro? You calling out my name? All right. We have one more trade left for the day. If I get it live, I'll give it to you, man. Bro, I can't wait for next Friday's story, man. It's a good story to go ahead. It's a very good story, to be honest. Excuse me. Oops. Shobit, bro. Welcome to Discord, man. A lot of others too joined today. Welcome, guys. Let's create a very positive community, man. Together. Cheers. If you wore a school uniform, you could still go to school, bro. You look so young in age, man, Lord. Bro, thank you for the compliment, man. I'm actually 31. I could I could still actually pull off school, man. If I could have the same hairstyle, no beard and mustache, but I could actually fit in, like properly fit into school. Yeah, man. Thank you, bro. Welcome back, Arvind, bro. Thank you, man. Now you guys know why I don't have mustache and beard. Yeah, it doesn't grow properly, but still, that's the reason why I don't. Today's price action was very nice for me, Paul. That's awesome, bro. Yeah, man. Not all days are good, not all days are bad. So it's fine, bro. I'm just waiting for next week. I'm coming back, not with vengeance, but with the same energy as usual. We'll go it. We'll do it. We'll keep doing it. Arvind, bro, since you're keeping your mind as open and childish, you always look young, bro. Thank you, man. Yeah, I guess. What's the point in growing up too much that you're so stubborn? You don't have any more fun in life? Sometimes I hop when I'm walking, bro. I mean, believe it or not. I mean, I just sometimes I feel like I want that kid. is to still be alive in me. Just do childish things, make my wife pissed or my mom pissed for, childish reasons. Sorry, childish reasons. And, play with my brother. Bro, I still play with my brother, man. He's 35 and I'm 31. We still play, man, like childish games. When we're, play a card game or something, I try to pull his leg, he'll try to hit me. We still play all those games, man. What's the point of growing up too much wherein you lose all that, man? I still like having it. Thank you for pointing that out. Man, life is all about having fun, boys and girls. Yeah, you have so much of dark things in your life. If you focus on it too much, you lose yourselves. Always try to have fun with life, man. Be happy with what you have, and just life is fun, boys. After taking three stop losses today, after losing what in my live account, after losing how much did we lose? Did I lose today? Like $450. That's if I say that to my family, bro, they'll they'll literally kill me if I tell them for them $450 in a day losing is bonkers. For me, that's business, right? Even when we got through that, I'm still smiling and happy because I know business has ups and downs. So don't worry about all the losses that you get or all the TPs that you get. Don't be too happy about the TPs that you get. You just be in your happy place always. Try to be in it because there's no harm in being happy. Try not to focus too much on your. I love the saying wherein they say your problems is like a pebble. If you keep that pebble too close to your eyes, all you can see is your problems. But if you put that far away, it's just a small pebble right there, just small, right? So just keep it far away, man. Problems is gonna be here all day, every day throughout your life. Just don't focus on it. That's why that's why you see me smiling even after taking three stop losses in a day. The hell with it. We have a good risk management in place. We have a process in place. We have a lot of drawdown that we can, lean back on the bad days. When you have that, you don't have to worry about blowing the account because I haven't blown an account in 8 months. I'm happy, very happy. People, still, brother. You are still, brother, loan. What happened to the still? Coming back strong. In it, bro. Let's go, man. SPS. Love it, man. Love the energy. Love from Pakistan, bro. Losses are a part of the game. Going through the same situation currently, but as they say, dark night, there'll be a after dark night, there'll be a brighter day. Let's go, man. BK, bro. Love it, man. I think that's the first time we've spoken in the chat, but bro, what a way to open up. Love it, man. Thank you, bro. Yeah, guys. The darker the night, the brighter the day will be, man. I love it. Good way to have it, right? So, see, I'm gonna have a lovely day either way. I don't care. Even if the next trade I take is in 3 on 3, which I'm peeling my eyes open for. Even if I take another stop loss, man, I don't care, bro. Today is a special day for my family. Man, we made it to a year, bro. You know the amount of people got divorced in my friend circle within 6 months? Three. In my circle and my best friend's friends, as far as I know, actually four, I think. So let's keep it to the facts. Fourth one is almost in the divorce phase. Nowadays, guys, getting through 1 year is a big achievement because one of my best friend's friend, colleague, she got divorced in 2 weeks. Can you understand? That was an arranged marriage, by the way. 2 weeks. But they're still in court, don't get me wrong, but they're separated since 2 weeks of the marriage. Who gets divorced in 2 weeks? You don't even have time for the stuff you want to do. How can you fight and get divorced in 2 weeks? I don't understand that. But I'm happy with God because He's given me a sane, a kind, humble companion. I'm very happy about it. There's a long list to it, but I'm very happy about it. Just because we take a few SLs in a day, that does not gonna change the day, but it might change it because of the fact that I didn't get a gift for her yet. I'm gonna let her choose it because if I get something, if she doesn't like it, her face will go small. I don't want to see that on a happy day. So that's why I didn't get a gift for her. I'm taking her shopping today. So whatever she wants to get, I'll give her the card and I'll be like, happy anniversary. So it's better to let her choose it, right? So always better to do that. So I'm going to do that today. Um, yeah, man. The rest is fine, bro. Tirukural says we should give problems to the problems that comes to us. Never. Yo, that's so deep, bro. We should give problems to the problems that comes to us. Wow, man, I love that, bro. Not blown accounts for 8 months is a great achievement. Congrats. Paul, bro, thank you, man. The reason why I said that is because in the first 2 years, bro, I've blown upwards of 25 accounts, right? Going from a guy who blew 25 accounts to a guy who did not blow an account for the last 8 months is a big achievement as far as I'm concerned, right? Um, so the first step towards success is stop blowing accounts. That's actually success. And then I passed an account, a full master account with 12% in the last month. I mean, that that says volumes on the ground we have covered in the last 3 years, right? The ground I've covered in the last nine, to be honest. That actually is, small wins, guys. Always celebrate the small wins. We're still here, breathing, kicking. My parents got divorced after 36 years. Sometimes it doesn't work with two people. Actually, I'm sorry about that. 36 years? Wow. Um, yeah, divorce, again, guys, divorce is not a good thing, man, especially for the children. Even when you're 35 years old or 30 years old for that matter. Um, actually, I'm sorry about that, but sometimes, as Jesse said, it doesn't work between two people, right? I mean, yeah, I guess I see that point. Yeah, 2 weeks or 36 years doesn't matter if it doesn't work, if it doesn't work, right? So I'm glad. Let's not talk about divorce, by the way. Let's not get depressed, guys. Come on, it's a good day. Let's not paint it, black on it. Divorced in 2 weeks. What the hell, man? Thinking about that money they spent on the flipping wedding, what the waste of money. Exactly, bro. And that too, guys, get this. The wedding that they had, I know because my best friend went to it. He said it was grand, bro. Grand. I wasn't here. I think I was in a trip or something. I could not go to a wedding. I know her personally, by the way. I could not get to the wedding. Grand wedding, man. 313, is it valid? Let me check. No, bro, not yet. So at least they spent 40 to 50 thousand dollars for that one day. 40 to 50 thousand dollars down the drain in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Yo, that's bonkers, don't you think? Man, if I had that 40 to 50 thousand dollars as personal account, man, I'd be doing good. Man, I would actually feed kids with it. Like proper food for generations to come. But I mean, I know, man. Going back to Jersh's point, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You got to be very careful when you choose your wives and husbands for that matter. Um, make sure you make the right choice. Make sure before you get into it, make sure you're in it for life. At least try to be in it for life. Um, man, I'm happy, bro. Let's just talk. Just stop the divorce talks. I mean, it's depressing. Let's not do the divorce talks, people. So you guys think it's fun to make us mad? Sherry does the same. Uh, Actually, to be honest, sometimes it's fun in purpose, right? We purposefully do it. You don't get as mad as you usually get. So that's the whole point of it, right? To just to pull your leg a little bit, maybe, and make you a little mad. That's fun. But to drag you down to 10 feet, that pulling leg is not valid. Like a little bit of fun here and there is valid, don't you think? I mean, bro, the enemies of good trader is greed and revenge trading. There we go, man. Guys, I have no feeling of revenge trading or zero thought of actually risking more, man. I would, if my account gets to 50%, that's the only time I'll change the risk, not higher, lower, right? There is a beautiful plan in place when it comes to my trading. Complete plan has been set up with all the hard work I've done in the last 2 years. I have a foundation laid perfectly because I've gone through every scenario in the last 2.5 years. So blowing accounts, blowing multiple accounts, going back to drawdown and not knowing what to do when I'm in drawdown, coming back from drawdown and finally figuring out what's the right way to come back from drawdown is something that happened thankfully right now. Because guys, understand this. I can learn anything and I can apply anything right now because I'm still in my second account. We still have, just $75,000 in funding. But what happens when we get to $5 million in funding? If I start learning things then, man, I'm going to be blowing big accounts, right? Excuse me. So it's not ideal to learn when you're in the later stage of your trading career. Initially, you can nitpick, you can learn this, learn that. If you make mistakes initially, you can correct it. The consequences are not that bad. Even if I'm making a huge mistake, hedging the trades like the other day by mistake and losing an account, that's fine. That's losing one account. But imagine losing 20 accounts, not even 20. If we want to get to 20 mil, I'm sorry, 5 million for that matter, we're going to be losing upwards of 35 accounts. That's a lot of money down the drain. So experimenting, having a process right now is going to help us in the long run. So I think I have a good process in place for me to be chill about a drawdown. I don't care about the drawdown right now. Yeah, we're down almost $800 in both the accounts together. It's just $800 out of the $75,000, right? It's a small blip. Um, Take a sell trade now? Never. Uh, what does drawdown mean? I mean, minus 6% in 10K. So drawdown means being in the negative, being below break even. So your break even in 10K is 10K, right? So if your account is now in $9,000, that's in minus. You're in drawdown. So that's what it means. Simple as that. If you are minus 6% in your account, bro, you are well in the drawdown, right? Um, so right now for you, bro, you gotta be risking half of what you usually risk until you come back to um, sorry, let me get this right because you're minus 6%. You're down by 6% in the account, right? Yeah. Unless and until you come back to minus 3%, you're going to be risking half of what you usually do. Sikandar, bro, it's fine to be in drawdown. Risk half of what you usually do. Okay. When I get to the half in drawdown, if I get to the half this time, and I don't think I would, but if I do get there, I'll cut the risk into half. I'll wait, I'll build a buffer above the 50% mark. So minus 5% mark. Above that, I'll build another 2%. So I'll come to minus 3% mark and then start risking the usual risk, right? That's how you get out of, you fight your way out of drawdowns, man. That's how you keep your accounts. Guys, passing an account is great, but keeping the live account is what matters in the long run. Just because you passed an account, and got into a master account doesn't mean that you can lay back and you can risk anything that you can risk. No. Listen, passing an account is just fake money. But being in the live account and making payouts out of it is what the game is. In order to be successful, you need those payouts. To secure the payouts, again, hold on, not valid yet. To secure the payouts, you have to keep your master accounts alive. If you're in drawdown, that's completely fine. It's the part of trading. But manage your risk properly, cut your risk into half. So if you had 24 trades to blow your account with your normal risk, when you get to halfway stage, which is 12 trades minus in your account, cut your risk into half so that now that 12 trades will become 24 trades. Again, you have more room now. Okay. Now there's no way in hell and heaven that you're going to blow this account. You still have 24 trades back to back losses you have to take to blow this master account. So be sensible about this. Whenever you're in drawdown, when you get to minus 50%, no problem. Cut your risk into half. Now, instead of 12 more trades, you have 24. Do you think your strategy is going to give you 24 back to back minus trades? Man, that's insane, bro. That's not going to happen. All right. So do not over risk when it comes to drawdowns. Don't think that that's an A plus setup. I'm going to risk 3% of my account size in that one trade. If I get it, I'm going to go back into profits. I'm going to make so much profits in that trade. Nah. If that trade goes down the drain, you're done for that account. You're losing your account, right? Never, never, ever lose that account, guys. At least fight till the last trade. Last trade. Guys, I've told you this before. My best friend was in minus 9.6%, 9.4 actually, minus 9.4 negative in his $125,000 accounts. So $25,000 account plus a $100,000 account. Together, his account had a drawdown, max drawdown of 10%. He was 9.2% in the negative, almost to blow his account. He kept his cool. He did what we usually, talk about. Risked half of what he usually does. Man, he passed his account last week, coming from minus 9.4 towards break even and going to 5% in positive. That happened last week before the rough patch. He passed it. I'm very proud of him. I came back from minus 7.8 or 7.9. So let's keep it at minus 8. I came back from minus 8% and passed my account. You guys saw that live. I showed you everything live. It's possible. Sikandar bro, never lose hope for any account you got. Even if you're 9.9% in drawdown, that last trade, same rules apply. You're not taking a huge trade with a big lot size and trying to save the account. No, same rules apply, same stop loss, same TP, same objectives when it comes to a trade, same confluences. Take the trade, let it run. Even if you did everything, and if and after that fact your account blows, be happy about it, man. Understand the fact that you did everything that you could have done. Yeah, it's a bad month. Fine. Buy another account because you know in your brain that you've done everything right. That's what that counts. Discipline comes from every single day's action. It has been stacked by every single thing that you do day after day after day. Your discipline is defined when you're in drawdown. That is when your skill, your will is being tested. If you trust your edge, if you trust your strategy, you will never deviate from the plan. As long as you have the plan, if try doing this, try doing what I'm telling you to do when you're in drawdown. When you come back out of that drawdown with the pointers I'm giving you, man, you'll be unstoppable, bro. Unstoppable, absolutely unstoppable. Because I've done it, but I feel like I don't care about this drawdown that I'm in right now. Right now, this almost 900 whatever dollars, $850 maybe. This drawdown doesn't even put a small blip in my radar, man. Not even a small blip. So, guys, drawdown, the hell with drawdown, man. It's just fake routes that's been made to scare you, bro. To make you, feel scared. Um, it's just fear, man. They have that rule to put the fear of God into you. Just say, I don't fear God, or I don't even fear the devil for that matter. Yeah, we might fear ghost stories, but not the real ghost. If the real world wants to come and stand in front of us in terms of bad trades, a bad month in trading, fine, we'll watch it in the eyes, man. We'll watch it run. Okay. What is okay? So as I said before, after kids, everything changes, and what was fun before would be irritating. Actually, I just saw that. I'm sorry, I went on a drawdown rant. um, would be, yeah. I feel I understand what you're trying to say. Um, for us men, we're the same. We don't try to change and whatnot. But yeah, I think that if we try to pull your leg even a little bit, given the fact that you're already, taking care of two kids who are actually pulling your leg big time every day, every minute. Yeah, I understand the point. Sorry, I just saw the message. Arvind, bro, you are an open book. Nah, bro, thank you, man. Dr. Kumar, thank you. He says happy anniversary. Thank you so much, man. So, guys, don't don't be worried. Sikandar, bro, you're gonna do great, man. Just stick to the rules, stick to the strategy, man. If you have a decent enough strategy, which has a 30% win rate with a 1:3, you're gonna survive any drawdowns, guys. Listen, any drawdowns that you're gonna get. in the next month, next 6 months, next 10, 20 years, you're going to survive. You're not even just going to survive it, you're going to thrive at the end of it. Just don't compromise on the 1 to 3s. Just don't compromise on your rules. Don't be afraid to take SLs because, listen, the first two trades, the first trade, I wasn't very happy about it, but second trade, man, it had the rules perfect. Even both the trades had rules to it. The second trade, maybe we were not that lucky given the fact that we got wicked a few times and then it went to TP like instantly in the next hour. That's fine, guys. That's fine. You gotta understand it's okay. When you become strong up here, this will not bother you, man. I'm after I took it, it's done. Right now, these things should never bother you, people. So don't worry about all that. Right now, let's do usual. I'm going to read for the next 5 minutes. If you have any questions, you can put it down. All right, guys, reading is very important. I'm going to stress this more and more and more because for me, I feel like personally sorry, after I added meditation, reading, and also gym all together in the same week, man, I'm feeling unstoppable, bro. I'm feeling really good physically, mentally, but I'm feeling much happier, bro. These things, Sherry, bro. Again, thank you so much for the book, man. Lovely read, bro. So for the next 5 minutes, I'm going to keep an alert. Guys, reading is a good habit to have. Never lose your good habits. Always, always, man, keep your good habits, boys and girls. So let me put the alert. I know we usually read at 7 a.m. Today we had the ghost story at 7 a.m., so we couldn't read. Right now, let's do the 5 minutes. The 5 minutes starts now, people. Let's go. Boom. I'm just going to lay back and chill. If I get a 3 on 3, I'll definitely let you guys know. Guys, one more trade to go today. Let's see what happens. One second, let me just complete this verse para. Nice. We're on to part three, people. I'm almost done halfway on the book. I think there are 4 parts or maybe 6 parts. Um, we are to part three. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Marriage is a win-win relationship. Dr. Kumar, how long have you been married? Meaning, how long has it been? Tell us your story, Dr. Kumar. I've closed my cell now in a buy. Nice, bro. Nice. And bro, can you buy? Bro, I'm done with my trades, man. And this reversed without a stop and zone, so there's nothing I can do in terms of that. But for 313, waiting, boys. Waiting, waiting. So close for that confirmation. Let's see. We'll be smart about this. Guys, and remember, today's Friday, okay? We have the phone call tomorrow at 6 a.m. So, sorry, video call at 6 a.m. So, people from mentorship make it to the phone call. Sorry, again, video call. Again, it'll be, oh, oopsie. Sorry. Make it to the call like last week, 6 a.m. I'll send you a reminder, but still, we're not missing it just because it's my anniversary. It's fine. I'll be here at 6. We will discuss, go through all the trades that we went through like last week. Not the best week of sorts, but this is where you learn a lot of what to do, what not to do. So never let go of that. So if you have any questions, put that down on the paper. Tomorrow at 6 a.m., you can ask me face to face any questions you guys got. We'll do it at 6 a.m. to 7. This time I'll keep it at 1 hour, no matter what. 45 is the target, but max 1 hour. Okay. Be here. I'll be here. And also, yeah, I'll go through all the trades and take any questions. I'm thinking of doing some other activity so that you guys get to learn this better. So if you have any, go through all the data for the week, other sessions too. If you have something interesting to show me, if you have something interesting to add on to, tomorrow's conversations, you can go ahead. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I think 5 of you guys will join me tomorrow. Fun. All right. Let's do it tomorrow. Arvind bro, W pattern. Man, I don't do patterns, guys. Listen, only 2 strategies. Very strict when it comes to what I need market to do before I get in. So, nah, my man, don't worry about it, bro. He'll do whatever it wants to do, man. Right now, bro was so close to giving me the confirmation for 313, at least one of the confirmations, but I wish that went through, but I'll wait, my brother. Listen, the thing about 313 is even if I get a trade at 12:15 in the afternoon, which is 15 minutes before the session, man, it has the track record of going to 1 to 12, man. Bro, it can give us a trade anytime before the session ends, at least 15 minutes before the session ends. That's when I'll close off the window for 313. So I'll do it. I'll take that trade, even if it's at 12:15 in the afternoon. So I'm still waiting for a 3-on-3 trade to show up. Let's see. If it shows up while you guys are here, it'll be fun. Because, yeah, we took a 1 is to 42 together. I want to take a 1 is to 50 plus together. Now, that is a good risk reward. And I'll actually hang it in my wall. Because having a 1 is to 50 reward in a session is just, bro, that's just glorious. Especially in a live account, man. Man, that could do wonders for your life, bro. So, but until we get that, we'll be very patient, people. Very patient. Guys, I won't be hitting the gym today, unfortunately. I'm taking my wife out after lunch. We're going, I'm not going to say the plan because she might be watching this. So we're going out, we're doing a few things, then coming back. Um yeah, no gym today, unfortunately, but I'll be working out Saturday as well as Sunday. I missed gym, so this week I've missed 2 days, so I'll have to be working out Saturday and Sunday. There's no there's no slacking in here, man. So my job is to work out 5 days a week. If I miss a day, I'll go to the gym on the Saturday. If I miss 2 days, I'll also work out on the Sundays. So I'm going to be working out tomorrow, sorry, Saturday as well as Sunday. And one other thing, me and Ranjit bro are meeting. Whoop, whoop. Ranjit bro is here. He's here with his nephew, who's representing Canada, the country Canada in chess. So his nephew is here for a tournament which is happening in the Nehru Stadium. So I'm meeting Ranjit bro this weekend, Sunday morning at 9:30. I'm doing Trump's dance now. Yeah, that'll be a good meeting. We've been, I've been wanting to meet him for a while, so it'll be a good chat. Sunday, that's Sunday's plan. Good week, man. Good week, bro. When you back testing, you record the months too. Absolutely, bro. Go through every day, month. I go through 2 years of data, right? So every month, what happened, how much I took, how many losses, how many TPs, what's the risk to reward at the end of the month. I take everything, bro. So what I care about is, Darshan, bro, what happened at the end of 3 months? What happened at the end of 6 months? What, especially what happens after the end of 1 year? That's the data I look for, like actively, because that's very important. Bro, you're speaking in Tamil? Yeah, man. Yo, my mother tongue is Tamil, bro. So I can speak Tamil, man. You're welcome, bro, Darshan, bro. Guys, I did, yesterday was chest day. It was nice, man. I could feel my chest. Guys, I'm back to my routine, man. I feel like I've found myself again after a long time. I've stopped meditating. I've stopped reading almost 2 years ago. And I've stopped working out 8 months ago. Guys, I feel so good after I put everything together. Reading, meditating. It's because of you people. Thank you. I have to thank you people because in order to show you, I'm doing this myself and I've put everything back together in place to inspire you guys, and I'm actually inspired by you guys. So thanks to you people, I'm meditating again, I'm working out again, I'm reading books again, I'm being kind to my wife and my mom again. Ugh. I know I'm being much kinder to my mom after Rajat bro said what he said. Man, I'm very conscious on how I'm talking to my mom, being very considerate of her feelings and how I talk to her. Man, I'm getting better, guys. It goes both ways, man. You guys thank me all the time, saying, Arvind, bro, because of you, I'm disciplined, I'm patient, I passed the account and all this stuff, but I'm thanking you guys now, man. Um, because of you guys, I'm becoming a better person, a better human being, a better trader, a healthier person. It's you guys who keep me accountable more than ever. Before it was just me, myself keeping, myself accountable. But right now I have 117 people to do it for me. Actually, 700 people in Discord to do it for me. And 40 of you guys, converse with me every day, one way or the other, either in the chat or in DMs or, you know, in Discord, in the public chat, in the trading chat. So, man, you guys, thank you, man. Thank you. I'm very happy with the Almighty as well as you people to have, met you people, gotten the chance. Um, man, thank you. So, as I told you guys, it's a two-way street. Um, this relationship with you guys and me, I know I'm talking to a camera right now with you guys on the chat, but trust me, because of you guys, I'm getting better. And it's just not one way, man. I'm very happy. I'm actually a very satisfied human being sitting right in front of you, regardless of how many stop losses we take. I'm getting healthier. I'm getting happier every single day, man. It's because of you guys. Thanks to my best friend, I started doing lives. Lives is something that has given me more happiness than ever before. To be doing my job, what I do, to getting to know people, meet people. I'm meeting Sherry bro next week. I'm meeting Ranjit bro this week. I'll try meet you. Yo, if you guys are here with me in this journey, at some point in the journey we'll meet. I'll give that to you in writing. Remember, we also have that uh, Bali plan, 22nd of Jan 2028. That's happening no matter what. Even if I have to, get a debt of $15,000 to make that happen, I'll do it. That's my promise. But trust me, at that point we'll be pretty well, pretty well off when it comes to, money and shit. Apologies. But I'll definitely meet you guys. But individually, at some point, I'll come through. Uh, Diksha says, I'll December. I'm coming there for your brother's wedding. That's my promise. I made it. I'll keep it. And other people, man, if I said so, KJ, if you're here, I told you if you pass an account and if you get a payout, bro, I'll take you for lunch in Gujarat. I'll fly to Gujarat. I'll keep my word, my brother. So we'll meet, man. I'd love to meet you guys, man. So that'll be fun. Uh, Give her the card, but don't forget to buy her a banquet of red roses. Sky, bro, yesterday, well, I don't have a photo of it, bro. Yesterday, my wife bought me a bouquet, man. She bought me one. She went to her mom's house just to say hi. She came back with a bouquet, man. She congratulated us for the anniversary. She gave me a bouquet. And I was like, it should be the other way around. I'm very blessed, man. She's a very sweet woman, bro. Thank you for saying that. I'll definitely give her a bouquet, bro, of my own, but she already did it to me. And, bro, have you felt somebody pressuring you hard while sleeping, unable to get up, whether it is that a ghost, bro? Yo, I've never, bro, trust me, my dad had that story. That's a story for another day, but the thing that you're trying to get through, a ghost trying to pressure you down, my dad had that experience when he was young, very young, maybe 17 or 18, but not too young to have not, imagined it. Yeah, he was in a trance. I'll tell you that story too. So I have four stories now. Stories are getting bigger and better. Thank you, bro, for your time as well. Thank you, man. It's called sleep paralysis. Sherry, bro, listen, maybe a condition, a physical condition, but the way my dad told to me the experience that he had, bro, that's spooky. That's actually very spooky, man. I'll tell that story the week after. Patelji, thank you, man. Thank you for the wishes, bro. Thank you, guys. I told my parents, sorry, the team downstairs. I told them my wife, my mom, and my dad. They were like, so the guys were wishing us happy anniversary. She goes, how do they know? How? Like it's not public information. How do they know? And I go, I spilled my gut as usual. They started staring me down, man. You guys got me in trouble. But they were happy that you guys wished. My wife goes, the first question was, how did they know? And then when I told her I spilled my guts, and she goes, so what did they say? Her complete reaction changed, and she goes, so what did they say? And I'm like, of course they wish me a happy anniversary. Of course, they're kind people. The good people who wished me. They gave me 85 likes for the session I got three stop losses in. See, kind people. Every coin has two sides. How you take it up. So how you take it is up to you guys. True. Patelji, 100% true. Man, I like to believe it because it's a very interesting thing to believe in, like ghosts. It's very interesting, bro. To be honest, ghost, sorry, ghost and God, not two different things. Both supernatural. Okay. If you believe in one thing, you have to believe in the other thing. Man, I am someone who believes in God big time. Big time. I'm a big believer in God. And a higher power that's watching over us. You know, I believe in that stuff, man. But if I believe one thing, I have to believe in the other thing. When there is good, there's also bad, man. It's like life, right? So I personally believe in that, bro. Sherry, bro, says my mom has also gone through it, but everything has a scientific side to it. Maybe, bro, maybe there's a scientific side, bro. Either way, man, trust me, Sherry, bro, you still believe in a possibility, right? Maybe there is a slight chance on planet Earth that there might be a supernatural occurrence happening here and there. Maybe a little bit, 2% chance of that to happen, right? Don't you? Nava, bro, I'm gonna I'm gonna ask GPT what you said, man, because I don't understand. Listen, bro, I don't. I, I'm embarrassed to say this. I'm actually not embarrassed, but I can't read Tamil, bro. For the love. Hold on, I'm just gonna ask GPT to, to translate that. Hold on, bro. In my school, they didn't teach me Tamil, man. My mom hates me for it. Happy wedding anniversary, which you excuse me. Happy wedding anniversary. Wishing you a happy and prosperous life together. Thank you, man. Thank you. He said it in Tamil. Thanks a lot, brother. Means a lot to me. I do believe in ghosts. See, I love the dynamic of you guys. One of you guys who doesn't believe in ghosts, the other one who actually trusts there is something out in the universe. I mean, what a pair, you guys. Absolutely. It's just that we haven't seen one. See, Sherry bro, that's all I need, man. Just that you understand the fact that you think that it's a possibility, but you haven't seen one. I was the same way like you, bro. Sherry, bro. Don't get me wrong. Before I had that incident of that thing just floating around on the floor on the road, before that, I was a guy who said, listen, exactly like you, bro, Sherry, we are alike in a lot of things. So I was the same person. I said, listen, I'm not saying I believe in the ghost or not believe in the ghost. Just show me one and then I'll trust it. I'll believe it. With my own eyes, I want to see it. Again, with my own eyes. If I see it, then I'll believe it. I was same like you, bro, Sherry. I saw one. I was like, that's a ghost right there, which is just floating on the road. Now I believe it. That was my reaction when I saw one. So, actually, let's get him somewhere together one day and show him one. Trust me, I know we guys will travel together for the rest of our lives. Someday, Jashri, you and I, with my wife and our families, will go somewhere, like a double date with our kids and stuff. Let's show him a ghost one day. Hopefully, our kids won't be there. Hopefully. Let's do that. Happy anniversary. Thank you, man. Amlat, bro. Thank you, man. Bro, do you understand Telugu? A little bit, man. I can understand a little bit of Telugu. My mother passed away 2 years back, and my father felt lonely. He said, I had all the fight and good times with her, missed and said and cried one day. Yeah, man, that's so sad, bro. They've lived so long together, Patelji. I mean, it's only fair to, feel that a person that lived with you the whole life is not there anymore. I feel sorry for him, man. That's bad. I'm scared of ghosts as well, but not like Sherry. Yo, that's hilarious, bro. Jessie is saying she's scared of ghosts, but not like Sherry. If I get a feeling there is something, I'll go turn on the light and look what's that. Jessie, tell me this. What will happen? So, Jessie, tell me this. So, when you think that there is something in the room, let's say you have a feeling that there is something in the room, you tell Sherry that you have that feeling. What will he say? Like, I want to know what his first reaction would be. I mean, yeah, you're going towards the light, towards the light switch, but what will Sherry do? I want to know that. That's hilarious, guys. Done. Let's do that. Definitely. Let's take a trip to, you know, haunted house or a haunted mansion. Let's live there for a couple of days and see what's what. Guys, if someone else wants to do it with, their family, they're more than welcome in the community. Let's go have a haunted trip. Let's just do that, man. It'll be fun. Double double date, yes. With kids, no. Yeah, man. That's why I said let's just leave the kids with our parents and go. I believe and I'm scared of ghosts. I try to watch you, but when you tell a ghost story, I mute till I think you're done. Love, come and listen. Yes, this stories. Nothing is gonna come off the screen or gonna stand behind you, right? Yo, Love Karma is actually a believer of ghosts. Come on. We are too. I'm glad that you are believing in it, but it won't harm you to listen to us, right? I mean, you have more stories when it comes to ghosts. So I will share it next Friday. आपकी गेम ओवर हो गया है लॉस पे लॉस my game he's saying my game is over, man, my game will never get over, bro. Mr. Amazon 6503, even if I get 70 stop losses in a row, there's no game over from me, man. I'll be right here doing what I do. One day, Mr. Amazon, you'll see a payout of mine in a YouTube video saying I got $50,000 in one trade. That day will come, especially for you, my brother. It's just not vengeance, but still, I'll show you the success part of it. Now, yeah, maybe a rough patch, you're getting to look at it. Like you said, it's not game over. You might think it is. You'll be in a rude awakening when it happens. Please be with me though. Follow me. Don't unsubscribe. Okay, follow me. There will come a point wherein I'll get that payout. I'll dedicate that for you. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this, man. That win will be dedicated to you, my brother. Thanks to you, I'll never quit trading because the amount of people who told me I'll not account for anything in my life were plenty. My wins, the things that I keep accumulating one on top of the other, has been dedicated to them. And that $50,000 win will be dedicated to you, my brother, because I never shy away from a challenge, never quit any challenge I ever took in my life, always came out on top of anything that I took. This is a challenge for me. Thank you for those kind words, though. Appreciate it. Yo, Sherry, man, we will have him here, bro. Let's have him here. We need him, man. We need people like this to push us even harder, man. Trust me, we need people like him because at the end of the day, guys, we need to be pushed harder every single day. When success comes, bro, he will congratulate us, man, as usual, as everyone else in our lives. The teachers who told me I won't account for anything in life, when I came back from Canada with the success I had, with my career and whatnot, they were actually congratulating me. And it's the same ammo, bro. It just will happen same day in and day out. So don't worry about it, bro. Sherry, we chill, man. Um, Frankie's like, what do you get from it, man? It's okay, bro. Sherry doesn't watch ghost movies at night because he will be scared. Yo, yo, I'm feeling more tempted, Jashi, to be honest. I don't do night movies, meaning I don't watch movies after. the 6:30 shows because I don't enjoy the fact that after 10 o'clock I have to get to bed. But I will actually someday I will make an exception. Let's go to a very scary movie together at night. Like let's do a night show, like four of us together. You, me, Sherry, and my wife. Let's just do a double date. Let's go to a movie together, man. You're funny. How many wins do you get today? Paul, shots fired. I'm sorry, but you're wasting your time and energy. Save it for better things. Guys, love the energy, man. See, one wrong comment and look at the community that we have built. Um, I like it, man. You guys are here to have positive vibes. I get that, man. Here with you through the wins and the losses, your mental game and discipline is the best. Love, Kama. Thank you so much, guys. It means a lot to me, man. It's okay, man. We let him lie. It's okay. Man, I'm going to take a screenshot of that. For sure, I want that screenshot. When we come out of this, when we make that big wins, I will make a video out of it. Man, he's giving us content, bro. Don't. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Come on. It's okay. And thank you for having my back. Means a lot to me, people. Every single one of you. Arvind, whenever I get SL, I think of the Rocky movie yesterday. You told us exactly, bro. Nava, man. That's what you gotta be thinking about, guys. Watch Rocky again with this in your mind. Go watch the whole series of Rocky. Rocky 1, 2, 3, 4, Rocky Balboa, Creed. Watch every movie of Silverstone Stallone. Man, that guy is a legend. He listen to his story. Goes to I might say his name wrong. Silverstone Saloon. Sorry to butcher his name, but his story, Rocky itself, he wanted to become a director, right? He wanted to become a director in the movies. He was actually told no for that Rocky story by multiple dozens of producers said no to him. Eventually, he got an offer from a studio saying, "Rock, Silverstone, listen, we will get the script from you. We will buy the script, but we will make the movie. So just give us a script. We will write you a check for, I think it was $2 million. I'm not sure. I forgot 200,000 or $2 million, whatever it is. Back then, at that moment in his life, when he was trying to sell that script. So this is the story. If you haven't heard it, listen closely. So Silverstone Solon was, this is whom I'm talking about. Okay. Rocky, you know, this is whom I'm talking about. Okay. Rocky Balboa, his name, uh, I don't know how to spell this, man. You can, Sylvester, Rocky Hero. Let's call him Rocky, okay? For God's sakes. So the story goes like this. It's his real life story. When it was like J.K. Rowling, when she was trying to get her Harry Potter book out, she was said no by dozens of people. Okay, dozens of people said. I think 36 people rejected her script, saying this is shit. We're not going to make a movie out of it. We're not going to make a book out of it. When she was trying to publish a book, Sylvester Stallone, his story goes like this. Rocky went and he was actually trying to sell his script for multiple producers. No one took an yes for an answer. Then he went to a brink in personal life. He had no money in his pocket. He sold his dog. The dog that you saw in Rocky 1 was the actual dog. Um, hold on. I'll show his dog. The dog that you saw in the movie was his actual dog. Okay, that is a dog that he bred and his own dog. He didn't have no money, so he goes out, sells his dog for $40. His full-grown dog for $40 because he doesn't have money to eat. He was offered, I think, $200 million. If you don't quote me on this, something between 200 to $2 million. That's a lot of money to a person who does not have money to eat. Okay. He went, spoke to the studio. The studio said, Rocky, listen, we will give you let's say $200,000. We'll give you $200,000 for the script. Give us the script. We will make the movie. You can walk, in the sunset with that money. At that point, Rocky sold his dog for $40. He doesn't have money. Okay. He said no. He said, listen, this is my story. If you want the story, buy it from me.
as well as I'm going to direct it. I'm going to be the actor in it. I'm going to star in this. If you want me and my story, you're going to pay me for it with me as the director and the actor. The guys said, "You're nuts. You're losing a lot of money. You're crazy. We don't want to do it." Rocky walked off onto the street saying no to $200,000. I'm not sure, man. Fuck. I just want to get that story straight. I will message you guys in Discord. He came out of that meeting without a zero, with a zero in check, man. He rejected their offer saying, if you want this script, you need me. I come with the script. He came out of that meeting again, poor. Imagine $200,000, even if it's $200,000, that's big money for a person who's just sold his dog, no money in his pocket to even eat, right? Came out. The guys came back running and said, "You are nuts. We want to do this movie with you, but we're going to pay you very less. And if we get some profit out of it, we'll pay you more." They had a contract. Rocky came out. Rocky was a blockbuster. He did four more movies. Man, he is the star he is today. From that, man, he sold his damn dog, bro. He went out again, found that guy back again, got his dog back. He paid, I think, $2,000 or $3,000 to the guy to get his dog back. He got $40 for his dog, but he paid big money to buy his dog back. So, guys, the story of Rocky itself, if you get a chance, there are multiple videos on it. Listen to the story. It's inspiring. That's an underdog story, not just a Rocky movie itself. Sylvester Stallone's actual story is, he's a guy who never gave up, even when he was offered money. I want to be him, bro. One day, when people come knocking for ads, when people say, "Arvind, do this for me, I'll pay you $2 million," I will be a guy who says, "No, that doesn't sit well with me in terms of my principles and whatnot." I will decline that offer. I'm still declining offers, by the way. Even at that peak, even if I don't have zero money in my account, I'll never lose on my dreams, on my bloody principles. I'll never sell my soul for anything ever. So I hope it is an inspiration, guys. No matter how many people tell you you can't do it, no matter how many people say you're finished, you're done, no matter how many people like Amazon, what's his name? Amazon, what is it? Amazon 6506 says your game is over, you've gotten losses back to back losses. You are not done until you say so. Even after having $2,600, if people get worried about 10 losses, so be it. So be it. Dust these guys out of your shoulders. Keep moving. All right. Man, the lesson for you guys today is, no matter who says what, people have won big in their life. People who have never taken no for an answer have won big in life. You know, take anyone, man. Arnold Schwarzenegger, bloody J.K. Rowling's. Bro, look at any very, very successful person in life. They've been said no. They've been ridiculed. They've been spat on, kicked on. They've been insulted in public. They have taken everything. They've moved forward. No matter how many stop losses I'm going to take, we are going to take together. Arvind is going to be right here every single day. Today is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'm going to go through my routine. Yes, tomorrow we have a lot to talk about for my community, for my mentorship. I'm going to say, listen, this is what we got through today. I'm going to go through every trade. I'm going to tell them, yes, guys, these are the amount of stop losses we took this week. That's how I took my trades. Yeah, let me check if that 313 is valid. Right now, it's not valid. If it, I'll let you guys know. So tomorrow, I'm gonna go on that call. Do you think I'm afraid of that call tomorrow? No, man. I'm gonna go hop on that mentorship call tomorrow and say, listen, yes, these are the trades we took. We had three close call when it comes to TPs. Price was staring down on our TP and then came back. Fine. Still here. Still do that call tomorrow. Arvind is relentless, man. If you want to take away everything from me and give me one thing, that's my drive to get better every single day. Show up, try to do it every day. One day, one day, man. I tell this to my parents, I'm telling it to you. One day, we'll be in a place wherein nothing matters. Nothing will bother us financially, spiritually, physically will be better. That day is all that counts. That day is what you're working towards. And I'll just go through the comments right now before I finish this session. Because, guys, no matter what, I'm here. No matter what, my community will be here. We'll do it together, man. I'm just going through the comments. My time is up for today. I know it's Friday, man. Sometimes the bed pass comes. Hold on. I'm going back. I mean, whenever I get an SL, I think of, yeah, I saw that comment. Thank you for that comment, bro. Nava, sometimes the best part comes after facing a lot of criticism. Keep going. The results will speak for themselves. Thank you, bro. Means a lot, bro. Patelji, amazing, man. The kind of people just depend on signals. You should learn how to trade properly, not cry if you get SL. That's not my comment, by the way, and that's true. Not here to give signals, guys. I'm here to teach you the right mindset. You don't have to learn the strategy if you don't like it. Just learn the risk management, learn the right mindset, find a strategy that works for you. Just here for the hold on. Is the 313 valid? No, not yet. Okay, hold on. Lagging, done deal. That's cool. I have a message on Discord. Please reply if you're free. Good setup for funding pips. Uh, yo, if you message me in Discord, I'll definitely get back to you. Don't worry. Amazon through you didn't inspire or Arvind, bro, please don't discourage anyone would be in positive words. Man, we need more people like him, man, because whenever I get comments like that, but whenever I get comments like, God, man, I'm so psyched right now. I'm rolling too much. Whenever I get comments like that, I get hyped up, bro, because I can't wait, man. One day, bro, I can't wait to show these people that with the success we get, these people are silenced, bro. Like Patel ji said, we're gonna just show the success, right? I'm not gonna say, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna be like, this is the worst revenge that you can get to a person like that. The worst revenge that you can show your relatives, your friends that look down on you right now and say you're never gonna make it, Arvind, or you're never gonna make it, Sherry, or any other person right here in this community watching, is gonna be like, go back to them and thank them. Just walk up to them, the people who told that you'll never make it in life. Walk up to them, bro. This is the best revenge you can give them. Walk up to them, give them a handshake, and say, thank you so much. Because of you, I'm good. Thank you. Just say thank you, man. Don't even say anything else. Just shake their hands or pat them in the back and say thank you and just walk off. Bro, the revenge, the feeling of that day, man, that's what drives me, man. One day I want to go back to my physics ma'am, the physics teacher I had, who said, I'll never account to anything in life. I will be a failure. I want to go up to her, in my freaking GLS 63, you know, park my GLS 63, AMG GLS 63, get out of my car, shake her hand and say, thank you so much. Thank you. And just walk off. Man, that day will come. When that day comes, bro, I'll take a picture of that day, frame it in my goddamn hall of my office with 50 employees. That day will come. You That's the best revenge I could ever, give her, man. She will look back on that day when she said that Arvind will not account to anything, that Arvind will be a failure in life, is the words she said is my inspiration. So never, guys, any day, never be sad that someone spoke down to you. Get that as fuel, make that fuel, power you so bright that one day you look back on that day and be happy about that day. Man, that day for me, when my 12th grade, when my physics teacher told me that I'm going to fail everything that I do in my life, I'm a waste of a person on this planet Earth. And that is the day I look back on with that all fuel that been given to me on that day. That what is driving me this day. And people like this, man, he said I was a failure today, right? That doesn't bother me as much as being a 11th grade kid, your teacher that you look up to, tells you that you're not going to do much in life. That affected me a lot. But today doesn't affect me much because I've seen all that. Man, when I quit my corporate job, came into live trading, I was told that I wouldn't do much in life. Dude, bring it. We passed the account. We have 75K in funding to you. Today, we're going to get to $100,000, sorry, $1 million in funding soon. This is all fuel, man. Get the fuel, keep going. I'm right here with you. If you think that people are looking down on you, I'm here with you. Okay? Um, Sorry, I'm just getting a message from a family. Finally, I can message 40. Annie, hi. Yes, 48 hours have gone by. Welcome to the community, by the way. If you stuck around for 48 hours, and especially the last two 48 hours, you made it. Thank you. So, you're definitely worried about this week. Lost almost 50% of my account. Still trust you. Will come back stronger. Make it. Let's stay focused. Syed, bro, that's what I'm talking about, man. Post in Discord one motivation. He's a gem, sir. Thank you, man. You have to tell this, sir. Patelji, what did you post, man? I'm going to tell this right now. Guys, 3 on 3, I'm still. Yo, we might get a 3 on 3 as we speak. Hold on, hold on. If this is valid, I will take this and bugger off. I know we are going off script and over the time limit. If this is a valid 3 on 3, I'll let you know. I'll take it with you and then I'll bugger off for this day and this week. Hold on. You guys stayed until this long. I wish for your sake that's a 1 to 90 right there. Please, for myself, not even for myself, for the community, give it. Come on. So that's three, that's one, that's two already. There's two more things I need to happen right here with this third candle. If it happens, man, I'll take it with you on live. Okay. Patelji, I'll get to the Discord, man. Bro, I have 100% trust in the 3 on 3. Anytime it could hit TP. Exactly, bro. Exactly. He's still giving signals to us, man. Amazon 6503 says gold sell 4586. I think now you're getting smacked, man. Arun, bro, positive words have power. Exactly, bro. Always trust in you, man. Sudhir, thanks a lot, man. Time to say bye bye, buddy. See you next week. Sherry, bro. Yeah, man, that 303 didn't come through. Yeah, man, we didn't get that 3 on 3, bro. That if this were green, I would have got that 3 on 3. All right, guys. I know I've gone off script and I've gone 5 minutes, sorry, 10 minutes after than usual. I'm hyped up for the weekend. I'm going to have a great weekend. I hope you guys too. For the people from the mentorship, please get to the call tomorrow at 6 a.m. Have any question written down, okay? Any question that you guys have, tomorrow will be fun. At 6 a.m., please get to the call. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. For everyone else, I'll talk to you guys on Monday. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Again, go watch Rocky and go watch his story. I'll actually find a video of his story and post it in Discord. Watch it if you have time. When you have time, it will inspire you. Guys, no matter what happens in the last 10 days, last 1 month, last 6 months of your life, those, those people, those things doesn't define you. You're going to win in life. Keep doing what you're doing. This is Arvind Rangasamy signing off. You have me with you. I have you guys with me. This goes two ways, always. Take care. Have a great weekend. Love you all, as usual.